We do know why Kiki hearings. Oh, yes, please, I don't know. Okay, the case is dismissed. You are here. You are for this matter. No.
My lord,
Acha, the case is dismissed on mainly on the ground that the certificates were not proved, and the voters list is also doesn't establish the link. We have some cosmetic changes. We'll give it later.
abolishment.
What? Woman changes.
In the opinion of this court, the evidence adduced by the petitioner through herself and the secretary of the Panchayat would not be sufficient to discharge their burden under Section 9 of the Foreigners Act 1946. There is, however, another issue involved in this case. Why the impugned order, while the reference is answered against the petitioner, it has also been held that the sons and daughters of the petitioner are also foreigners. It is a settled position of law that until a specific reference is initiated against an individual, no orders of declaration as foreigners of such person can be made by any foreigners tribunal. We have also referred to another earlier case. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances, we are of the opinion that the impugned order does not call for any interference qua the petitioner. However, the observations with regard to the sons and daughters of the petitioner as mentioned above are interfered with and set aside. Writ petition stands disposed of. Records sent back. It is, however, made clear that the present order shall not cause any prejudice to the petitioner to file appropriate application under the CAA. If the same is done, the same is to be considered in accordance with law.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, my lordship.
17.
17.
Yes. What is it?
My lordship, here, can it be fixed for next week, my lordship? My name is also not shown. I will file my wakalatnama. And earlier counsel, an Islam is no longer will continue in this case. Any date next week?
Okay. Your name?
TK De, Tamal Kumar De.
Sri TK De, Learned Counsel, has informed that he has entered appearance for the petitioner recently and prays for an accommodation. Para, considering the above, as well as the fact that this matter is pending since the year 2019, a short accommodation is granted, directing listing of this matter on Wednesday next.
Can it be on 8th, my lordship?
No, 7th.
7th, okay, deeply obliged.
For hearing.
Pray for a copy of the petition in item 17, lordship.
Yes, please give a copy.
My lord, I have filed one writ appeal, my lord. It's very urgent. It may be listed on Saturday, my lord.
Saturday?
Here the issue is regarding, my lord.
Why Saturday? Monday?
My lord, Monday the matter will become infructuous.
Why?
Because here the issue is regarding irregularities in polling centers in one LAC of Hailakandi, my lord. So it will affect the result of the.
There is already a judgment of the single bench.
But my lord.
Sorry. We
My
don't find
lord,
it
there's
matters to be that urgent.
exceptions, my lord. This matter falls under exceptions, my lord.
Sorry. Either you move on Monday or it will come in into usual course. Monday.
Monday, my lord.
We cannot, it's not a matter which needs out of turn treatment.
But
It's not a fresh matter. Single judge has dealt with it, dismissed it.
But
Sorry.
my lord, the exceptions are there.
Maybe single judge has appreciated intra-court appeal, you know the limitations. Either you move on Monday or otherwise on usual course.
On 4th, my lord, result will be declared, so it will become infructuous.
We do not know. Sorry. Yes, next.
Then on Monday, my lord.
May it please my lord. My lord, I'm praying for listing of 4 fresh re-appeals. So all similar matters. Already, lordship, delay condonation.
When have you filed?
Lordship, on 27th we have filed. Other similar matters, lordship, the delay has been condoned.
Okay, next week, any day?
Next week, if possible, on 6th, lordship. My lords.
Okay. Wednesday. Those are not defective. Mr. Das?
May I
Let me
please?
check, yes.
I'm praying for listing WPC 1927/6 2026. Can it be on Monday, my lord?
WPC.
Yes, my lord.
WPC for which division bench?
Mm,
Foreigner matters.
I'm not aware of it, but it was left out matter. Left
In a
out.
division is bench matter. It's a writ petition. Against what?
Means
You have to ascertain whether it's a DB matter. Is it a foreign tribunal's matter? You are not aware. You
I'm
know
not-
the basic facts. Not like this. Sorry. Yes. Come prepared. Ask your senior.
May I please your lordship, I am praying for listing FT matter.
FT matter.
FT matter.
What FT matter?
Petitioner is in jail. My lord,
Fresh matter?
Fresh matter.
When did you file?
Last 2 occasion matter was left over.
Leftover. Okay. Wednesday next. Now go to say FT. Will it be 19 or emotion? What do you do? Full commerce here, boss. Yes.
May I please your lordship? But this is an application against the order passed by the Foreigners Tribunal, 2nd of Borpeta, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, relevant portion of the judgment
Hmm.
is at 49, my lord. May I read, my lord? Notice was duly,
Records have come, Mr. Courtmaster. Okay.
notice
Yes,
was duly
Please show us
served
the
upon
documents.
respondent,
Please
opposite
show,
party.
please show us the documents.
Oh, document. My lord, at the very outset, I take your lordship, my lord. Huh? Please come to page 21, my lord. Relevant portion is 22. My father's name, Johar Ali, for the year
Voter list of which year?
1965, my lord.
1965, page 22.
Page 22. 21, 22. And my stepmother's name is Mahitan Nesa.
Just a
65.
minute, just
Yes.
a minute,
Then I take your lordship, my lord.
just a minute. This is voter list of 1965.
Yes. There is village Nichuka under Shorbuk, 47 Shorbuk constituency. Then, my lord, I take your lordship.
Who is Jahur Ali?
Johar Ali is my father. Johar Ali Mia.
Jahur Ali is your father, not
Yes.
mother.
Father.
Jahur Ali is your father,
And Mahitan Nesa is my stepmother.
Mahitan.
Yes.
Okay. Thereafter,
Then, my lord, page 23 kindly.
23.
Yes. My mother, my lord, Jubeda Khatun.
Come to the vernacular at 24.
Yes.
Voter list of which year?
What will you 1989? Jubeda Khatun, my mother. But subsequently she died, my lord.
Jobeda.
Jubeda.
Khatun. Mother,
Yes.
54.
Yes.
No, any of that contemporaneous period from 70 to 1689, what has happened?
It is not there, my lord.
No, that is a crucial period. 65, you are trying to link
Yes.
with Johur Ali.
Johar
That
is my father.
Johur Ali Mia.
Yes.
Now, this Jubeda, her name is with some other, Mahmud Ali. Who is Mahmud Ali?
Mahmud Ali is my uncle.
Who is Kotema Khatun?
Fatima Khatun. From my uncle's mother's house. There.
Hmm?
After expiry of my mother was Jubeda Khatun. She died subsequently during the pendency of the
And what is the village?
Village, my lord, same. my lord.
Sapakamar.
No, Sapa Kamar.
Is this different
Sapa Kamar.
village?
Because I have made a statement in my written statement, my lord,
No,
because of this.
everything will change.
Grandmother and their my grandmother, my lord. Husband died. My father died.
But
Then we keep
your mother is 54 years.
Yes.
54 years in 1989.
18.
So where are the other earlier voter list
No, that
of
is
that
not there.
period?
That is not there. I have got only the was 65,
Difficult.
89. Then I take your lordship, my
But
lord.
Safa Kamar is the village.
Yes.
Safa Kamar.
Then, my lord, 97. My mother is there, Jobida Bewa, because she has become widow. That's why Jobida Bewa. And Kashim Ali is my brother.
When did your father die?
After 1965, my lord.
Huh?
1965.
But after 1989, your mother is Jubeda Khatun, not Bewa.
My mother Jubida, she is not. My lord, it is in the voter list. It is written as Jubida Khatun.
Now, just now he said that in the voters list of at page 26,
Yes.
her name has been stated as Jubeda Bewa.
Yes.
That means her husband has passed away. We are asking you, when did the husband pass away? He said husband passed away in 1965.
Well, in my written statement, I have mentioned that after voter, my father expired. my lord.
After?
After the 65, my father expired.
When? After 65, maybe
But
today.
it is not specifically not mentioned in the written statement.
Some year, month, not the date, the month, the year at least.
My lord, we cannot expect everything from the rustic people. My lord, they are.
No, the year at least.
They could not give.
That explanation will not come.
There is a difference of a year also. One brother said at defense that my mother died after 2 years, 3 years. This is
But after 65 is very, very vague. When did he die? After 1965.
but I will satisfy you. I am coming to next page, my lord. Then when page 25, 97, my mother Jubeda Bewa and my brother Kashim Ali. There is the same village, Safa
And
Kamar.
Mr. Biswas,
Yes.
interestingly, your mother in 89 was 54 years old.
Yes, yes.
And in 1997, he becomes 50 years. She
And
becomes 50 years.
In the judgment, it has been mentioned, my lord, discussed that there is a
We would
discrepancy
like
of
to
age.
know what were you having to reduce,
Discrepancy of the age
to
is
reduce
mentioned.
your age.
Yes, that is also a problem, my lord. They could not say exact age, my lord. In some cases, they said 84,
We would
75.
also be interested to know if something could be had whereby the age would come down.
No. I will satisfy you, my lord, kindly.
No, just see the inconsistency. 89, you are 54 years. 1997, after
My
how
lord,
many years?
your
8
lordship,
years, you become 50 years.
voter list was not prepared by us, my lord. When an enumerator goes, they gave the age, my lord. Ask what is that? They said they write something. It is the common practice nowadays.
Interesting practice. Yes, next.
Then, my lord, 27 is my election commission
No,
voter identity card.
Not
Not necessary. Then annexure 5, page 28 is Nur Alam. I am the Nur Alam, my lord. Here, petitioner before your lordship. He is the headmaster has given the
Let us see the vernacular at page 29.
particular page 29. It has been discarded only because there was a
Who has written-
emblem of the. That's why it was discarded.
But who has issued this?
Headmaster, my lord,
Of?
Lolit Boshumatari,
Of
2017.
headmaster of which school?
My lord, it is.
School is not there.
The seal is not visible.
Seal is not.
Yes. Safa Kamar Prathamik Vidyalaya.
Where?
123 Safa Kamar Prathamik Vidyalaya.
You have the original?
Govardhana. Village Safar Kamar.
Oh.
Village Safar Kamar. We posted Govardhana district, Barbata Road.
Jila hai or Vidyalaya?
Safa Kamar Prathamik Vidyalaya. This is the which date? 28,
89 is 10 years,
89,
10 months,
7.
10 days.
2017
Yes.
is the date of the certificate. Certificate by school. Lolita Bosumotari. She came for deposing.
No, she did not come.
So how do you prove the contents?
Myself has asked, this is my certificate, madam. In my defense, I have stated, madam.
It has to be proved in accordance with law.
Of course, yes, very true, madam. I am agree, madam. Headmaster was not
Administration.
not appeared,
Mm.
madam. Then, my lord, there is a certificate of the Gauhati. My lord, when IO visited the house, he has also collected a certificate from the Gauhati. Probably that is in the record, madam.
Who has collected?
The IO, madam, the investigating officer when went to my house.
Okay, let us see the Gauhati certificate.
Yes.
Page 31.
Yes, page 30 and vernacular is 31.
Yes. What is the date?
Date is, my lord, 18/8/17.
What is there? We cannot even read this.
He was examined. Was he examined?
No, no,
Again, no.
No.
We cannot even read the contents.
yes.
The
Then, my
content-
lord, my voter list first time came, Annexure 7, Nur Alam. I was 30 years old at the time. And
When? Page?
page 32, my lord. 30, relevant portion is 33. There is a D against my name. That's why I
That is
could
not
not correct
certified.
certificate
It
copy.
is not certified copy.
No, because there is a D against me. First time D has come up. That's why my case was referred to the tribunal. madam.
What was your age in 30? So where is the voters list
30
prior?
years, 30 years, madam.
So where is the voters list prior to this?
No, I have not casted any other vote, madam.
I
Prior
think
to
this is one of
30
the worst
yes,
case we have dealing
I
with.
admit, madam, I have not given any vote.
Mr. Sharma is very happy. He need not argue. There's nothing. One document of your voter list that is uncertified and you are 30 years.
Because D brand is there, madam. That is the problem.
Deep brand, we are not very concerned.
There,
Before 30, you must have voted since 21 at least, if not from 18.
I-
Where are the voters
it
list?
has not come in the anyway, madam. It has not come in the voter list, madam. I admit, madam, it is not there. Otherwise, I could have
Perfect
corrected.
case before the FT.
I have also submitted same thing before the FT. That day I have got no other voter list. That's why
So what is there to examine then?
that's why FT has not accepted my version, my lord.
What is there to examine? At least you should have some case.
Then, my lord, 34 is my written statement. Where I have given all explanation, my lord. Then my written statement 34.
34.
Hmm.
In the photocopy of at page 33, what is the serial number?
Voter list, my lord.
Yes. Serial number?
More along, I could not understand. বুঝিনি, বাগান।
7 again.
7.
No run.
7 most probably. 7.
My lord, serially it is probably 7, my lord. Nur Alam.
Huh?
7.
But you are Nur Islam.
I am Nur Alam.
Alam. Are you Alam?
Alam.
Okay.
Not all of it is.
Nur Alam. Nur Alam.
Nur Alam.
Serial 7.
Yes.
Nur Alam. Yes. Also.
My lord, may I be permitted to read the written statement?
Which, if you want, you can please.
My lord, relevant portion is para 6, my lord, that after the death of second party stepmother, Mohitan Nessa, the second party father Johur Ali Mia married again Javida Khatun that after the year of 1965, second party's father shifted from village Nichuka to Safar Kumar, Safakamar, and took shelter at the residence of the father-in-law along with the mother of the second party, that is Jubida Khatun, and stepmother Kasam Ali, stepbrother Kasam Ali, and second party Nur Alam was born mother's parental home at village Safakamar, PS Borbata Road, district Borpeta. That the name of the second party, Mother Jobuza Khatun, were recorded in the voter list of 1989, house number 30, part 2 as Safakamar. That the name of the second party is Mother Jobuza Bewa, stepbrother Kasam Ali appeared in the voter list of 1997 in this Safakamar, Borbata Road, Moja, Govardhana. That the second party's mother's name also recorded in the electoral identity card. That the second party's name was recorded in the school certificate was issued on Safakamar LP school. That the Gaupura village Safakamar issued certificate. This is my written statement, madam. Supported by affidavit, madam. Then evidence of the
You have not stated when your father had passed away. You have not stated. Have you stated anywhere in the written statement?
in my cross examination, I was asked, madam. I have replied that thing.
Written statement, there is nothing.
DW1 is my evidence, madam.
What about your siblings? In the written statement, no
50
disclosure.
because regarding my siblings, that is my own brother.
No, you have not disclosed.
Stepbrother I have mentioned.
No, not stepbrother, your own siblings.
I have not mentioned anything.
Not mentioned.
Regarding my own sibling, I have not mentioned. I don't have any siblings also. I have not mentioned.
No, that you have to also say that you do not have any siblings.
I have got one stepbrother, my lord. In my evidence, my lord, I said that my father Johar Ali Mia and my stepmother's name Mohitun Nessa were recorded in the voter list of 65. That my stepmother Mohitun
When were you born?
Safakamar in my mother-in-law's house.
Which year?
Year I have not mentioned.
No, it says that after 65, father has shifted.
Shifted.
When you were born, you have not indicated.
I was born there in the Sapakana in my grandfather's house. Year not mentioned. That Nur Alam was born in my mother's paternal home at village Safakamar under Borbata Road PS. That is para 5 of my evidence I have written, my lord. Then, my lord, that the name of my mother Joboda Khatun recorded in the voter list of 89. That the name of my Joboda Bewa, my stepmother brother Kastam Ali, appeared in the voter list 97, serial number 56 at the village Safakamar. Then my mother's name also recorded in the identity card. That my name recorded in the school certificate. That the Gaupura also issued a certificate. This is the same thing, my lord, I have written here. But, my lord, my cross, I take your lordship to cross petition 1939. My name is Nur Alam, age 40 years, son of late Johar Ali, village Safakamar. I was born in parents' home at Safakamar. My father, Johar Ali, passed away at Safakamar 35 years ago. My own mother, Jawada Khatun, is still alive. My parental grandfather is late Mangal Mia. My elder brother, Kasham Ali, is still alive. He is the son of my stepmother, Mohitun. My stepmother, Mohitun, passed away. Earlier, my parents lived at village Safakamar. My father's name is Johar Ali, along with stepmother, Mohitun, appeared in the voter list 65. My own mother's name, Jawada Khatun, also appeared in the voter list of 89-97. Gaupura village certificate exhibit F. Gaupura village Safakamar issued certificate. I read it up to class 4. 1990, headmaster of 126 Safakamar school issued certificate exhibit E. Then my DW2 Annex 10 is my Jawada Khatun. Age is 70 years. He also repeated same thing, my lord, that petitioner is I am the son of Jawada Khatun. That I am bona fide citizen. that I have two sons, Sukur Ali and Nur Alam. I am Nur Alam. There is no case against Sukur Ali, my lord, I tell you. I have one step son, namely Kasham Ali. That my husband, late Johar Ali, Mia, and co-wife of my husband, Mohitun Nessa, were recorded in the voter list 65, serial number such and such, under Shorbok, PS, Shorbok, LSE. And after the death of co-wife of a husband, Mohitun Nessa, my husband, late Johar Ali, married me. After the year 1965, my husband shifted from village Nichuka to Safarkumar and took shelter, resident of my father's along with me. And my stepson, namely Kasham Ali, and my son Nur Alam, was born my father's home at village Safarkumar. That Jawada Khatun were recorded, that Jawada Khatun, my stepson, Kasham Ali, were appeared in the voter list of 97. That my name was also recorded in the electoral file. That my son's school certificate, that Gambura issued a certificate, the allegation level against my son, that LBO that entered into a 19 after 11666 and before 25/6/97 is baseless. LB has alleged that I entered to India after 1166 and before 25/71. But he could not be crossed because she died in the meantime. Jawada Khatun died. Then, my lord, my step brother Kasam Ali, that is in page 43. He also said that I am a bona fide citizen of India by birth, and my second part is my step brother, younger brother,
He is also DW2.
DW2.
It should have been 3, rather.
Yes. He was born and brought up in the home at village Safarkumar, Govardhana. I have two step younger brother, namely Shukur Ali and Nur Alam. My father late Johar Ali Mia and my mother Mohitun Nessa were appeared in the voter list of same thing, my lord, they are repeated. Then, my lord, after the death of my mother, Mohitun Nessa, my father late Johar Mia married again stepmother, namely Jobeda Khatun. After the year 1965, my father shifted from village Nichuka to Safarkumar and resident of maternal grandfather we take shelter. And my stepmother, namely Jubada Khatun, and my stepbrother Nur Alam was born at my maternal grandfather's house. My stepmother Jubada Khatun was appeared in the voter list of such and such. My stepmother Jubada Khatun, Jubada Bewa, and my name were appeared in the voter list of 97. That my stepmother Jubada Khatun name was also recorded in the electro photo identity card. That my stepmother's school, that my stepbrother have a school certificate which is issued from 1 to 3 of Safarkumar LP school. The certificate has been issued in favor of the brother by the Gambura of Safarkumar. That my own name is Kasam Ali has been recorded in the electro photo identity card such that the allegation labeled against my stepbrother LBO that entered into India after 1166 and before 25 March 71 is baseless and malified. But I could not find out the cross portion of her evidence in the record, my lord.
Of?
Mother,
You said
mother died.
Mother passed away before
Yes,
the cross.
that's right. Then his cross is there, my lord.
Yes.
The answer the question
In his
put
cross, he has stated that you have never casted any vote earlier
me.
in the cross examination.
Yes, yes. After
The
that,
last
yes.
line, my brother Nur Alam never casted vote.
In cross, my lord.
Yes, 47.
Yes, I casted vote only on 97. My
97
brother
you
Nur
are
Alam
doing.
never casted vote.
97 he did not. He casted vote. It's your brother. My brother Nur Alam never casted vote.
I casted vote only on 97.
No,
My
that is
brother
your-
Nur Alam.
Yes, Nur Alam is you.
Yes, I have not casted vote because I could not. When my voter list came, but there was a brand of D. That's why I could not
So
get.
that is the
file.
question we are
Yes,
asking you.
I could not file.
At that time you were 30 years.
But yes. But when D has
There is
come
no
up,
explanation.
what to do, my lord? Recently, by filing a case, I removed.
D will come up not before 97. D came in 97 after intensive revision. There was no concept of D
But,
prior to that.
but the photocopy that I have submitted here.
No, before 97, there could not have been any D. So if you are 30 years of age,
Yes,
you
sir,
ought- you
yes,
ought to have at
but
least
yes, I
voted-
admit, madam, there was my name was not in the voter list. That's why, madam, LBA has suspected that I came to India after 66.
Not after 66.
It is in the report.
You came in 95
It's
Elbow report.
LBA
or
report.
maybe
is there.
97, just before.
LBA report is there 66.
Fresh, you are fresh.
I don't know.
Nothing is there.
Elbow report.
But LBA has, after inquiry, has given that report. Your lordship may peruse it, madam.
You came when?
LBA has mentioned that I 66-71 in the period of 67-71.
Your age in 1997 was 30 years. So what would be the year of your birth?
My lord, yes, I admit that I have not given any.
No, what would be? Suppose we assume that the voters list of 1997 has correctly put your age as 30. So what would be the year of your birth?
30 years before, my lord, at least.
So what would it be?
Then it was 97. If it's
67.
We are very bad in
67,
arithmetic. Huh?
67,
1967.
Date of birth.
date of birth.
67, your father had not even married your mother.
Very.
Admittedly, you said you had a stepmother, and after passing away of your stepmother, then he married your mother.
My lord, I have read the judgment. It is fact that there is anomalies in the age, where at different time, different ages have been recorded. Even father's, mother's age also not exactly same.
The time of the inquiry of the LBO.
LBO has visited and recorded the age, my lord. And it, Gauhati, though we could not bring the Gauhati or headmaster, my lord, but Gauhati has given a document to the IO, the LBO, that he was from our village and he was, that is there in the record probably, my lord. At the time of inquiry, my lord.
Yes. Would be appearing, Mr. Sharma. Madam, for whom?
Madam from Prem.
You don't need a double steam. It's not a tough case.
Yes.
Yes, and who will be appearing? Yes, madam, you're for whom?
Our
Same team. We
our
thought,
junior colleague.
do you think it's a very tough case
No.
for you?
Lord.
Why 3 players are there? Mr. Sharma, who's for the for the election commission? And Kolita is there. Sharma. And Kolita. And CCC? Who's for the central government? Madam L. Devi, on behalf of R.K.D. Chaudhary. Okay, we'll hear Mr. Sharma. Have recorded here.
Anything else, Mr.
No.
Viswas?
But if your lordship kindly take little pain to peruse the record, madam.
We'll see the record.
Kindly. Gauhati certificate is there, right? Though we have not brought him, madam. It was collected by the IO.
Governor should have come to the dock.
Not only Gauhati, school headmaster ought to have been brought, madam. These are the lectures done by my legal learned brother in the court below.
They did not take the risk to come to the dock
Probably. Probably, madam.
to be exposed.
Not to expose all of the, that is the very mysterious why they have not brought. And my learned brother who conducted the case, they have also not suggested that. They do not know also probably that mere filing a document is not enough.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Apparently, Lordship, there is the petitioner is no way connected with the person whose name reflected in the 1965 voter list, Lordship, Zuhur Ali Mia. And Zuhur Ali Mia, Lordship, After 1965, Lordship, if we see the written statement, Lordship, page 34, para 7, then after the year of 1965, second part is further shifted from village Nisuka. After the year of 1965, the second part is further shifted from village Nisuka to Safakamar. So, Lordship, if he is shifted after 1965, his name should be appear in any other voter list, but after 1965, he is totally disappeared, Lordship. This Johur Ali Mia, Lordship. Then, Lordship, in evidence, Lordship, page 46, third line, my father expired. This is a projected brother of the proceeding, Lordship.
Page,
Page 46.
the evidence of the brother,
Brother.
Kasem.
Yes, Lordship.
Kashem,
He deposed that my father expired 35 years ago. If he died 35 years ago, Lordship, he is alive till 1983, Lordship. Because, Lordship, he deposed on 21/6/2018. 2018 minus 35, it is 1983. So, till 1983 also, Lordship, there's this Johur Ali name is disappearing, Lordship, in any of the document, Lordship.
Should have been there.
Yes, Lordship. It should have been there. And Lordship, under important aspect, this Kasem Ali, Lordship, Kasem Ali's name link is also not there with his projected father, Lordship, Johur Ali Mia. So, his evidence cannot be accepted as a valid evidence without a link with his projected father, Lordship. After that, Lordship, he relies on a school certificate, Lordship. School certificate and Gaubra certificate, Lordship. It is a covered case, Lordship, 2018 3 GLT 347. Yesterday also I am relying
2018,
3 GLT 347.
Name of the parties?
Kudeza Khatun.
Kudeza.
Yes, you had.
KHUDJ decided on 26/4/2018.
What has been laid down?
Regarding school certificate, Lordship, para 12, it was discussed, Lordship, how school certificate has to be proved, Lordship. And there is a state emblem also there in this school certificate, Lordship. Belated issuance of school certificate, all these things has been discussed, Lordship, in this para 12, Lordship. Then, Lordship, one GP certificate was also relayed by the proceeding. So GP certificate also discussed, Lordship, in para 15 and 15.1, Lordship. Gaubra certificate also discussed. So, Lordship, from 12 to 15, Lordship, I am relying this para, Lordship. All these things have been relying. And, Lordship, under important aspect, Lordship, my learned senior colleague has relied on LVO's report, Lordship. If LVO report should be accepted, ERO has to be satisfied on LVO report, then it has to be accepted, Lordship. If ERO is not satisfied, Lordship, on the LVO report, then it is not acceptable, Lordship. So, Lordship, ERO satisfaction is required, and in this case, ERO is not satisfied with the LVO report. So,
We have discussed this. Non-mentioning of details in an LVO report will not come to the benefit of the proceeding.
Yes.
Rather, it will come to the benefit of the state.
Yes.
Because LVO report is procured only to give a safeguard that before you refer a matter, whether there are materials in favor of the proceeding on which the ERO may take a decision not to proceed, nor not to make a reference.
Yes.
But if no materials are there, reference will go.
Yes.
That we have discussed.
That's all, Lordship. So, Lordship, apparently, Lordship, I am found there is no infirmity. My humble submission is that there is no infirmity in the opinion passed by the learned tribunal, Lordship, so it may not be disturbed, Lordship.
Okay.
That's all, Lord.
Okay.
Nothing more to submit.
We'll close this then. We'll see the records. Please write, huh? SC Biswas, then G Sharma, then N Kurita for ECI, P Sharma for state, and LDV on behalf of RKD Chaudhary, Deputy GI. Hearing is concluded, judge will be reserved. Okay.
Item two.
Yes, UCO Bank, what do you want?
Lordship, we have obtained section 14 order from the additional district magistrate. Beside that, the circle officer is delaying the matter, Lordship.
Madam, why this delay?
Receive the
Can you
instructions.
defeat the purpose, objective of the act?
Even
the
payment
first-
has been also made, Lordship, for police escort, Lordship.
Well, the first set of instructions that I received said that the co-district commissioner has no powers. Now I've received a set of instructions which says that the private respondent is in possession.
But if they are seeking,
Yes, my lord. The
invoking
two is
14,
not adequate, my lord.
seeking
Lord,
14,
grants me some time, I'll obtain instructions.
but this is, they should not have come to the court. Why this situation has arisen? Bank has to come to a court to seek protection under 14 in spite of making payments. They're defeating the purpose of SARFAESI.
Uh,
Wednesday.
I will
Madam?
obtain it, but well, many a case I have found that the boundaries, the areas of the lands. They
No,
don't
you
match.
come
This is
up
not the case.
You
but
come up with specific instructions, that is the
I will
case.
obtain instruction.
Heard. Miss S. Yasmin.
Yes.
Then it's counsel for the petition. Also, also heard. Mr. Solon State Council, who prays for some more time to obtain the necessary instructions. Para? Considering the facts and circumstances, a little accommodation is granted, directing listing of this matter on Wednesday next.
Much obliged, Lord.
Madam for whom? Boardler, Revenue Department. Okay. Then, right, S. Sharma, Madam and Boardler, Revenue Department.
Item 25, submits.
FT 19 or matter.
Sit down. Mr. Sigdar is not there.
Yes, who's for the petition now, Mr. Sigdar? Yes, where is Mr. Sigdar?
You kindly pass over the matter for time.
Time being. Okay, ask him to come, 19 matter.
Yes, he'll come.
Item 3.
Yes, what is it come for?
Lordship, this PIL is regarding the implementation of the directions issued by the Supreme Court in the Mahendra Chawla case. Here, the Supreme Court has directed for the establishment of vulnerable witness deposition centers.
Correct.
Yeah, so here,
Lordships, in the state of Assam, we have complied with the directions of the Honorable Apex Court and all the, except in the district of Kokrajhar, in which I have explained in one of my affidavits, all of the other districts, the deposition centers are functional. Although some of them are on a temporary basis, some of them are on a.
But
complete-
some are being on the process of being constructed. At
Yes,
least a
Your Lordship.
separate
That's what
center.
I'm saying. In some of them, there's a temporary space has been identified as a vulnerable witness deposition center in case the hard structure is not yet ready.
Yes.
Otherwise, in most of the districts, it has also already become functional, except in the district of
Kokrajhar.
Kokrajhar. That is the only difficulty.
Lordship, establishment
But
of
the other states are
temporary,
concerned, Your Lordship may kindly
temporary centers will not suffice.
No, that we understand.
depend on the
But,
fund structure release.
see,
Your Lordship.
What is your name?
Prasidya Borborua,
Mr. Borbora, see, it cannot be done in a one-day basis.
Lordship.
There is a conscious move to have the matter, the direction implemented to letter and spirit. But at times, it had to be started with a temporary structure, but the endeavors are being made on the administrative side to have all the centers, maybe Madam said Kokrajhar.
Yes, and that is only regarding the state of Assam. In the state of Nagaland, Mizoram. no-
What is it?
Nothing has been.
Yes, Mr. Chandran, Arunachal. Have you gone through the judgment? What is the requirement? Not only to have a center, it has got specifications.
Yes, yes.
Because
Here,
the entire
specific prayer is made.
objective is different. Is not just like to have a separate
Yes,
thing.
yes.
Objective
the-
is different.
Thus, the existence of a vulnerable witness deposition center is not enough. They have given specific
And then we
specifications.
know about it. But judgment is of which year? Now we are in
2008.
2026 April.
Already handed over one vulnerable disposition center in Pasingam. That's handed over the district and other two is outside.
And what of Nagaland? Madam Kichi?
Lordship may take note only one out of the many districts in Arunachal.
Arunachal, you are lagging behind. Why? You cannot, these are matters which needs immediate attention. You cannot just give priority to some other matters. Other matters are progressing. Yes, Madam
We
Kichi.
have rolled out a scheme and then like as on today's date, we have this thing, in 4 districts it is functional. 1 is to be completed, 6 districts yet to be started.
Only one.
One is functional.
Already in 4 districts it is functional.
Four you have
Four.
vulnerable deposition
Yes, your lordship.
center.
Yes, your lordship, and 1 is under construction and 6 is yet to be started.
But progress is very, very discouraging.
And Lordship, that too, these centers have to be made according to the specifications.
That we understand.
Mizoram.
Yes, what about
Mizoram.
Mizoram?
We have also, Lordship, identified some places, Lordship, and that was designated as Lordship that.
Is it functional?
Yes, that is function. I have filed my affidavit.
How many are functional?
Lordship,
How many?
in all the districts, Lordship.
All the
Yes,
districts?
Lordship, there is a notification we have issued, and some officers were appointed as a coordinator to
So
contact.
Mizoram, you have to fully implemented.
No, Lordship, in Mizoram, they have notified the government officers like the DC office as a VWDC. That is not the mandate of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has specifically stated that permanent VWDCs have to be established. A notification turning.
We'd like to have this by the regular bench. But your actions are not encouraging. Assam, of course, have not. What about the 3 states? Arunachal, Mizoram, and here also it's not a temporary kind of a thing. Makeshift in one office or the other.
Otherwise, Lordship, that is under process for that permanent construction, that is
But
not.
process will not take 2 years. You have to give priority to these matters. And these are not adversarial litigations. It's a directive of the Supreme Court, vulnerable centers you now need to have, not a makeshift, have a camp and some. It's not a one-day thing.
Permanent. It should
It's
be
to have
permanent.
a robust kind of a justice delivery system so that the witnesses feel secure. Oh, let this come before the regular bench. You are a local You're a counsel,
Yes.
advocate,
I'm a
what?
petitioner in person.
Understood. You come from Gauhati?
Yes.
Okay, we give you a date of your convenience.
Any
When?
day, after 4 weeks.
No, not 4 weeks. Let them come up with, let it be dealt with by the regular bench. We'll, today is what? 30th. We'll have it on 11th.
Lordship,
Okay, 11th. Okay.
deeply obliged.
Heard the petitioner in person. Also heard. Madam Chaudhary for whom?
The state legal service authority.
Oh,
For 10 years.
Okay.
Then what
Also-
about Assam?
Assam, I think she is representing.
Authority 98.
Okay, also heard Miss R.S. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council State Legal Service, Assam State Legal Service Authority. Miss P. Bhattacharya. You appear as
Respond number 4.
AAG
Age.
for the respond number 4. Miss M. Kechi.
Respondent number 3 is.
You are what AAG? AAG for respond number for the state of Nagaland. And Sri Chandran. You are a senior advocate for the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
I'm for respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Who is one?
Lordship, I'm representing the
Guwahati High Court.
Guwahati, Lordship.
Okay.
High Court.
You are T. Gogoi.
Lordship.
On behalf of Sri T.J. Mahantaga's senior counsel, on behalf of the respondent number 1, para. On a joint request, matter is adjourned to be listed on 11th of May, Monday.
Deeply
You come up with better instructions. The other states. It was only regular monitoring, like the film mention monitoring. Knowledge. We could have taken brief on this.
I did 4. Need some more time for obtaining instructions. but Elections are underway. I need some time.
Yes.
Actually, without their affidavit, perhaps.
This is a writ petition.
Yes, we have challenged the virus of one amendment, state amendment, my lord. Whereby, my lord.
But one affidavit has been filed by R2. Who is R2? R2 has filed 2 affidavits. 11-2 and 1-5.
But my lord, I think they have also taken leave to file further affidavit.
But who is R2?
The
Yes.
Deputy Secretary, Labor.
But I think state needs to put its stand. It's a
Yeah.
challenging of a state act, vires of a state act.
Yes.
Heard Sri E.N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri S. Chakraborty for the petitioner. Para. Miss S. Sharma. Learned State Council has, however, renewed her prayer for grant of time to enable instructions / file affidavit in opposition. How much time, madam?
Well, at least 4 weeks, my lord.
We give you a date, list. And my matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 29th of May.
Can it be the first week of June, subject to the convenience of this one?
3rd of June.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
Mr. Chaudhary, 3rd of June is it?
Yes,
okay?
yes.
3rd of June, Tuesday.
There's an interim order which is already until further order it is there.
Okay, then it's not required, I think.
Not required, it is there.
Ek minute, silence, last of this.
5 to money.
Further denied, huh? In the meanwhile shall continue. No. Interim order needs to be extended. Interim order passed earlier, stands extended till the next day of listing.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the respondent number 3 and 5 was about to file their affidavits, Lordship.
3 and 5.
Lordship, may I kindly query the last order, Lordship.
Who are 3 and 5?
Lordship, on the last occasion, they have appeared.
Madam Yasmin M. Sharma, which bank? Which bank, Mr. Sharma?
Lordship,
Which bank?
Lordship, Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Punjab and Sindh Bank, Mr. Sharma. Madam Yasmin was here.
Mr. M. Sharma.
I'm sure Mukesh Sharma.
Respond number 3 and 5 bank file করার কথা আছে লিখে দিবি।
Madam Yasmin, she was around. She appeared in one of the matters.
Bank affidavit is necessary.
Then we'll have it on Monday or when, then let them come. Okay.
Affidavit necessary.
But we can grant time only when a prayer is made or at least on their, in their presence. We cannot grant time like this. Oh. Heard. Your BP Sharma.
Lordship.
Sri BP Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri P. Sharma, Learned State Counsel para. The bank, however, is not represented today in spite of names being reflected in the cause list para. In the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next. Please give the date. One, okay. I am Sharma, P. Sharma and Butler. Your revenue department, standing counsel revenue, huh?
Authorized.
Item 6. Bank of Maharashtra, what are you doing here?
Lordship, it was when our petition under section before the district magistrate for order under section 14. After the writ application was filed, the district magistrate passed order under section 14 of the SURFACE Act for physical possession of the property. Now, after that order was passed, certain properties has been handed over to us. And the government has sought instructions on the other date regarding other properties.
Mr. Sharma?
May I please, Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the private respondent 5 to 9. Already the order, the DM order that has been passed, that is on 21/11, has been challenged before the DRAT Calcutta. We filed an applications and IA applications before the DRT Gauhati. Then after we appeared before, we are already appearing before the DRT Calcutta. It's before the DRT bench Calcutta.
That is okay.
That is
subsequent development we may happen, but we are just asking for the.
Lordship, he has nothing to say. So far, DM's order is concerned, he is made only a formal party. Because
No, that
he
is
has
why-
challenged the matter in the DRT and that has been dismissed. Now he has preferred. an
Appeal is there.
Appeal is there, no stay order has been given.
Mr. Sharma, Madam Sharma, instructions. When can we have the instructions?
So for the possession of the other properties are concerned.
Not 2 weeks. We'll have it on today's 30th. We can have it this on 11th of May.
So for Tinsukia property is concerned, the government has not yet delivered the
Okay,
possession.
heard. Sri K.K. Nandi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has informed this court that appropriate orders have been passed by the Learned District Magistrate.
Lordship.
He as
And they have challenged also. It is
It's District Magistrate, not District.
District Magistrate.
Kamrup,
no,
Tinsukia.
Tinsukia.
And a part of the property has also been handed over to the bank. Full stop. He has submitted that the Learned State Council is supposed to get instructions with regard to the other properties. Clara, your name?
Myself, Kunal Kandisar, KK Asra. KK Asra.
KK?
Asra.
KK S. Roy. Sri KK S. Roy Learned Council. Or KS Roy.
KK Asra.
Earlier, KK S. Roy Learned Council for respondent was 5 to 9 has, however, informed that against the aforesaid action, an application was initially filed before the DRT Gauhati, which was dismissed, and thereafter an appeal has been preferred in the DRAT Kolkata. Full stop. Clara? Sri Nandi, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has replied that though, as a matter of fact, an appeal has been preferred in the DRAT Kolkata, there is no interim order.
There is no interim order and the matter has not yet been admitted.
The matter, the appeal is yet to be admitted. And there is
Because
no-
there is a
and there
petition
is
for
no-
condemnation
and
of
there is
delay.
no interim order.
Your Honor, next date is fixed on 24th.
Be that as it may, comma, on the prayer of Miss S. Sharma, London State Council, matter is adjourned to be listed on 11th of May to enable her to obtain necessary.
Your Honor, and copy has not been served to us.
Please serve copies.
I'm serving in copy. Now it's served. I have served.
Mr. Nandi, why don't you serve copies?
The state respondents who have served copy, Lordship. You can find-
Even extra copies.
Yes,
for your
surely,
bene-
surely.
For your benefit.
Yes, surely,
Otherwise, she'll not obtain instructions.
surely.
May it please the Lord. My Lord, in this matter, we came up with some allegation
Yeah.
that while, my Lord, going ahead with this ring road project, a certain statutory compliances were not made.
Mr. Chaudhary, let this come before the regular bench. This is a very temporary arrangement only for, unless something urgent is there. Wednesday? Wednesday? On a joint request made by the.
Or, my Lord, can we file, Lordship will kindly grant us 1 week time to file the reply to their.
My difficulty is that I have given an undertaking that before elections, nothing will be done, my lord. Fourth results are out. So
The
my
fourth
undertaking-
result out, then we'll get to know who forms the government. Seventh,
my lord-
nothing will happen.
Okay, you file your rejoinder.
They have already filed, my lord, 7 days ago, my lord. They can file it.
No, no.
Okay. You'd like to file your rejoinder for whom?
Against the state's affidavit, my Lord.
Okay, okay.
Because where we would like to show, my Lord,
Okay,
there are
okay.
still non-compliances.
Heard three. K. N. Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel assisted by Sri V. Rajkwa for the petitioner. Also heard three. P. N. Goswami, learned AAG, comma, your name? Sri D. Borkotoki. Borkakoti or Kotoki? Borkakoti for the NHAI. NHAI. While affidavits have been exchanged with the NHAI, comma, the London Senior Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for some time to file rejoinder affidavit to the state's affidavit
Yes.
in opposition. Para? Let
7th of May, my lord.
Huh?
Exactly 7 days.
The
from
matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 7th of May, by which time the rejoinder affidavit is required to be filed. 1, 2, 3, SK Meji, 1, 2, 3,
Deeply obliged.
PVC. 1, 2, 3.
Deep level.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Roy.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, I require to file, amend my prayer, my lord. So I may be allowed to file an IA, my lord.
Amending the prayers.
You have to file an application for that.
My lord, this is,
If you want to amend the application or the prayer, whatever, you need to file an application for
yes,
amendment.
IA, I have to file.
Have
an
you
IA.
filed the
Yes.
IA?
No, no, I will file, my lord.
Then if
By
you want to
Monday,
file
I will
the-
file this.
Sri S.K. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that, but what prayers can you alter in a writ appeal? It's a writ appeal.
But my lord, the issue has been framed because in that the petition, my lord,
See, in a writ appeal, we can either interfere with the judgment of the Honorable Single Judge or agree with it. There cannot be a different prayer in a writ appeal.
but in
Probably Gauhati is trying lots.
You can file a miscellaneous case if you are having any other issues, subsequent issues, which may be connected. But there is no question of amending a prayer in a writ appeal.
but in the
See, you are questioning the correctness of a judgment of the Honorable Single Judge. We may agree, we may not agree.
Yes.
Where is the question of amending the prayer?
Because, my lord, what I am trying to, my lord, argue before your lordship, my lord, in the doctrine, my lord, in indirect doctrine, my lord, backdoor discrimination, the doctrine. In that doctrine, my lord, there is permissible for the petitioner, my lord, who argued that that line, that he may he may adduce additional document or in different way, my lord. Now, there is no limitation to argue a case, but where there is a structural discrimination. The structure has been systematically framed.
That is a part of the writ proceeding. Writ proceeding has come to an end.
But in writ proceeding, there was actually in motion stage, it was dismissed, my lord. And therefore, the issue has been framed, my lord, with the honorable division bench, again, my lord. The notice was.
We have serious doubts. You may file, let's see. Sri S.K. Roy, Learned Counsel, prays for time to file IA in this case. Also heard Sri P. Nayak, Learned. You appear as what, Mr. Nayak?
For state laws.
As the AG, as AG state for the state, who does not object to the same para. List after a week.
In third week, or any date may be.
List on request list on 18th of May. Is it okay?
18.
Last occasion, the.
Or 19, my lord.
Respondents was objection this time.
Let's see. On
19 or 21, my lord.
20th, 20.
20.
20.
Published.
May it please the Lord.
Yes.
Lord, the petitioner was, my lord, given a liquor license, my lord, off premises. Now, my lord, it has been interfered with by the learned single judge solely on the ground that the concept of guardian minister, which was introduced, that has vitiated the selection process. Whereas, my lord, in the instant case, the guardian minister's role was limited, my lord. It was confined to, my lord, only a consultation process. And, my lord,
Now, who had put your this thing to challenge?
one of the unsuccessful party, my lord.
Contenders.
Applicant.
Applicant. You have been granted an IMFL off license.
Off license.
That was put to challenge by private respondent
Yes,
here.
only on the ground that this system of having a guardian minister in the selection process has vitiated the selection. And learned single judge also, my lord, solely on that basis.
So you may be supporting Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes.
Let us issue notice. Rules for the petitioner. You are on caveat. Okay. We discharge the caveat. What?
Yes.
Third item number.
Mhm.
Mr. Khanikwar, your name is not there. Third Sri Khanikwar. Counsel for the caveator who has lost this caveat in respect of judgment and order dated 31/3/2026 passed in WPC 5072 of 2022. Full stop. The caveator would be heard in the event this court proposes to pass any interim order. Caveat stands discharged. Heard in the writ appeal. Heard Sri K. N. Chaudhary Learned Senior Counsel assisted by Sri R. M. Das for the petitioner, for the appellant who has preferred this appeal against the judgment and order dated 31/3/2026 passed in WPC 5072 of 2022 full stop by the said judgment, comma, the writ petition instituted by the present respondent number
6
has been allowed and the IMFL within inverted comma off license issued to the present appellant has been interfered with. Where the Learned Senior Counsel has submitted that the view taken by the Learned Single Judge on the point of the role of the guardian minister may not be a correct view. Let notice be issued. Returnable on, it's for admission. We'll issue notice and have it for admission hearing. Let notice be issued, returnable on On the 27th is a holiday, 25th of May, all are represented.
Yes.
20,
Milord, 25th, I have some difficulty. Could it be
Whichever-
2-3 days later on, Milord?
29th of May. 29th of May.
Or first week of June, Milord?
For
When
the
27th, I'll be back, Milord. There is a some.
29th,
29th.
29th of May. Who will be accepting notice?
Okay, it's been noticed, for respondent number.
Three. R. Google.
Yes, Your Lordship.
London State, London, Standing Council Excise for 1.
I think
Madam S. Sharma for State Council for 2 and 3.
LP for 4 and 5 also. Lord.
1, 4 and 5. And Mr. A. Khonikor for respondent number 6. Caveat for respondent number 6.
Milord, I have an interim prayer. Otherwise, Milord, he doesn't gain, my Lord. Otherwise, I'll be out of business, Milord. And kindly see, Milord, that in view of the judgment of the Supreme Court in Ramjava Kapoor's case, Cabinet has that power, Milord. And then see, kindly have a look at page 83. Government has approved.
The State Council prays for an interim order. Para, considering the facts and circumstances, it is provided the status quo as in today be maintained till the returnable date.
Yes, deep down.
You are already running the shop?
Yes, yes, Milord.
Lordship, there are 2 items, same time, Lordship,
Item numbers?
10 and 11, Lordship. In item number 10, it is DC Tinsukia is party here, Lordship. And in item number 11, Kamrup DC is party. But inadvertently, somehow they have wrong copy to us. So we take instruction from Tinsukia in item number 166. And affidavit also sent by signing and notarized, Lordship.
it's
But
correct, but the facts are correct, Lord, that in reply.
we could not file because of case number is wrong. So
Only, my Lord, the
Okay,
number is wrong.
you make the amendments, whatever correction you want to make.
Lordship.
When? By 2 weeks?
Lordship.
We grant 2 weeks there. Okay, you AK Gogoi.
Okay, Gogoi.
Part 3 AK Gogoi Learned Counsel for the petitioner in these cases. Para, Ms. R.B. Bora, London State Council
Yes, Lordship.
has however submitted that due to inadvertence, comma, the instructions, there is a mismatch in the instructions taken as both the petitions are filed by the same petitioner. Say according to praise for some time to obtain the appropriate instructions. Para. In view of the above, matters are adjourned to be listed on, we'll have it on the 18th of May. Is it okay? 18th May. You get sufficient time. Madam, here for this, and Borderline is present for the Revenue Department.
Okay.
একটু ডিলি পাইছে দিলেও লাগে দিলে ঠান্ডা লাগে Mr. Hussain,
My lord, 2 days is from the granting bail, my lord. Bail, my lord. It is not declared my foreigner on the grounds of my lord, my lord, link failed, my lord. But in fact, my lord, petitioner proved the linkage, my lord, by producing GP certificate.
but the order is of 24/6/2024.
My lord, that is why notice was issued, my lord, and record call and.
Notice was issued.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Madam Verma.
Lordship, the records have not come, Lordship.
Say records have just come. We can have this when you also go through the records. We will not. We'll grant a short time. Maybe Monday or when Tuesday.
Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday. Okay. Heard Sri E. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss A. Verma, learned standing counsel and FT. Oh, Home Department. Home Department. Who footstep. The records, in this case, notice was issued And there is also a prayer for grant of bail. Full stop. It appears that records have been transmitted to this court very recently, and the Standing Council Home Department has prayed for some time to go through the same para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next.
Next Wednesday, Lordship.
Next is, date is what? 6th of May.
Item 13.
13 also will be similar, my lord.
Similar, okay. Same order, huh?
Same.
Oh, bless you.
Order material বলবো এটা একটু তো আমার সিগটা 15
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
These are all pending matters, my lord.
2002 matter.
Yes, my lord.
Oh my
In
God.
fact, order dated 26/10/2006.
Read appeal of 2002.
In fact, by an order dated 26/10/2026, matter was supposed to be listed after logical conclusion of the other set of connected matters. my lord.
What is the other set of connected matters?
In fact, not in item number 15, my lord, I have filed two affidavit in additional affidavits, my lord. One is filed on 21/2/2019.
What is the matter about?
Lordship,
What are the matters about?
these are the matters of, my lord, LDA and excise constable termination. Long back, my lord. It was terminated, then, my lord, by both the sets of employees, my lord, they approached the honorable court, my lord, by writ petition. Writ petition was dismissed. Then writ appeal was filed. Writ appeal allowed. Then state went to
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Supreme Court then remanded back the matter to the government to issue show cause notice. Show cause notices were issued, and thereafter, my lord, they were again terminated.
Where is the excise department? Can you have them? We'd like to finish these matters.
And the flag B lordship will file.
2002
The five.
You read petition. Huh?
Finally, my lord, the honorable apex court held that
That the excise come?
lot. Finally, honorable apex court, my lord, taking into consideration the age of the appellant, my lord, awarded 5 lakhs as compensation because they have now 50 plus.
Yes, now,
Now,
what is your grievance now?
now I pray for the similar order, my lord. Because it was dismissed by a common judgment. Thereafter, we filed this appeal. This appeal, my lord, the honorable court, my lord, on 26/10/2006 directed the registry to list the matter after logical conclusion of the other set of writ appeals. So our proceedings stalled at writ appeal stage. And the other set, my lord, they went in the higher forum, my lord. Again, they were terminated.
So this writ appeal was preferred by whom?
Preferred by the writ
Now,
petitioner.
you said that the appeal was, the writ petition were allowed.
Writ appeal were allowed.
Appeals were allowed.
Your lordship. Against
Writ-
that,
Writ petition was dismissed.
writ petition was dismissed. Against that dismissal, these two writ appeals are pending, my lord. Then the other set, my lord, in case of other set, my lord, writ appeal were allowed.
Understood.
The additional affidavit, my lord, I have given the
Madam Kolita?
subsequent facts, my lord.
These are old matters, 2002 matters. Yes, Gogoi, who has got the instructions?
Gogoi was there, last petition. One Gogoi was there in the last petition.
তুমি গো- তুমি আসলে না। কই দিয়া?
Two additional affidavits, my lord. One is recent, my lord. In the recent, my lord, I have included apex court judgment.
Have you got the instructions?
No, Lordship. In fact, no, Lordship. In this matter, we have not received the instruction.
Get the instructions. This will not require any adjudication as such, because some recruitment process was the subject matter of challenge, unsuccessful. In the writ appeal, petitioners were successful. State preferred an appeal in the Honorable Supreme Court. Matter was remanded. Thereafter, in the meantime, the sufficient time has also elapsed and the candidates have attained their maximum age. In other cases, there is an order of the Supreme Court to grant monetary what do you call, damage kind of a thing, quantified at 5 lakhs or something. They are seeking similar kind. Whether those would be applicable or not, how many petitioners are there, we do not know. There would be a sufficient financial aspect which you need to take care of. When can we have it on Friday next?
Friday next, Lord.
Okay, before the regular bench, okay? Heard 3 S. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition, for the appellants. Also heard 3 R. Google, learned standing counsel, Excise Department, para, on a joint request. Matters are adjourned to be listed on Friday next.
Our name may be reflected in the cause list.
Names of standing counsel excise be reflected in the cause list. Mr. Sharma, please inform him.
Lord.
If in any case his name is there, not
Lord.
there.
Okay.
And come prepared with this case.
Yes, sir, Lord.
Have a look at the records.
Obliged.
These are old matters, 2002
Two
matters.
matters, sir, Lord.
Okay.
Obliged.
Obliged.
মোশনটা তো হেডে করেছে মোট মাত্র।
25? Oh, okay.
May please, your lordship.
The last occasion, we had requested a copy of the petition which we have not received. So I'm handicapped today also.
My lord, we have given copy.
No, Mr.
Today I have given.
Today now. Oh, just now. I didn't know this. I think Mr. Karma must have taken.
Now see, Mr. Sigdar, this matters though it is at the motion stage. As you know, 19 matters we are taking for final hearing because the very purpose of calling for the records was go for a final disposal. Sufficient time has passed. If madam wants 1 or 2 days accommodation will grant, we can have it next week.
Just received it, Lordship. We picked it up on Monday, Lordship.
Okay.
Monday or Wednesday.
Okay, well, but records have also come. You can
Lordship,
also
we'll
go
through the
through the
record
records. Okay. Hard. 3. This is item number?
Item 25.
Hard 3 AR Sigdar learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Miss A. Verma, learned standing counsel, Home Department, Sri N. Kolita, learned counsel for the ECI, Sri P. Sharma, learned State Counsel, and CGC, and Miss B. Sharma, learned CGC para, on the prayer of Miss A. Verma, the learned counsel representing the Home Department, matter is adjourned to be listed on Wednesday next.
My lord, Wednesday, my lord,
It's 50.
I may be in trouble, my lord. I will be outside.
Tell us the date of your conference.
Any other date, my lord.
7th?
My lord.
7?
7.
7.
It will be hearing date, better.
Yes, 7.
Pending regular board there.
It is
Yes.
Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter.
Adjourn a matter of 19. Why should we adjourn a matter of 19? Where is your senior?
Lordship, senior is lagging another court, Lordship. I'm not fully prepared, Lordship, today. That's why.
You are fully prepared.
Not
Then
fully prepared.
Not fully prepared. You get yourself fully prepared. We'll have it as the last item. Last item.
Obliged.
Item 18.
I'm praying for accommodation today.
What is NOC?
Yes.
Chief,
For giving no objection, you need a foundation.
No, it's not no objection, Lordship.
Never heard that a foundation is required for no objection.
Lordship,
Who are you? What is your name? What is
Lordship,
NOC? NOC means what?
new opportunity for children.
He doesn't know.
If that in fact is my ground.
okay, I'm praying for the first time, Lordship.
New opportunity of?
For children. Lordship, that is my ground. In fact, that this is an NGO purportedly set up to look after or work for the welfare of children. They have come for the first time, this Honorable High Court, challenging a consent to establish given to one particular company without even including other companies with the same city who are operating as of today. Lordship, that is in fact one of my grounds.
This needs an extensive hearing, Your Lordship.
We have not got it. They are an NGO.
Yes,
There's an NGO.
Which is for the interest of the children.
which is registered in Delhi, Lordship.
And what is their grievance?
Their grievance, Lordship, is that respondent number 4 is a unit which operates a calcined petroleum coke unit in Amindor in the export promotion industrial park. They have come, Lordship, to this court saying that the consent to establish for setting up this CPC unit that was granted to me was done illegally in contravention of existing notifications. Lordships, thereafter on 11.
No, how is their organization connected with your establishment?
Lordship, they espouse the cause of environmental pollution. So they say that I am somehow a polluting industry and therefore the city ought not to have to be granted to me. And there is a projection that I am somehow the blue-eyed boy of the pollution control board and therefore this was granted to me in contravention of existing notifications.
Who's before this court?
Lordships will have the order of 11/5/23. This court had dealt with the facts. Lordship. And a status quo was granted.
You are not being able to run.
Yes, Lordship. So the status quo was granted on the consent to establish. My consent to establish was stayed. For that reason, I have not been able to go on with the prefabrication works, etc. that are required. Secondly, Lordship, there is no question of pollution being caused because I am still at the stage of consent to establish. I have not even got a consent to operate. So there is no question that there could be any pollution that could have been caused. And more importantly, Lordship, the order was obtained on the strength of a notification of 17/2/2018.
You are so concerned about Assam.
Lordship, the pollution, Lordship.
Huh? So concerned. What have you done for Assam?
Thanks. The senior has arrived, Your Lordship.
Mr. Chaudhary, you are so concerned about the state. What have you done for the state? Apart from this litigation. Suddenly somebody from Delhi, he comes with a challenge. What are your antecedents?
My Lord, I have explained my position, my Lord.
But what is your role in Assam?
My Lord, I have, regarding my locus, I have stated in paragraph 2, my Lord. At page number 7. That at the very outset, the petitioner avers that sole knowledge of facts stated in the writ petition is from the documents, reports available in the public domain, courts as well as records maintained in the Office of the Pollution Control Board. Petitioner NGO has a pan-India presence and is working in Delhi NCR, Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Sikkim, UP, MP, Gujarat, Odisha, etc. In recent years, the petitioner NGO has inter alia performed grassroots work in AIDS and malaria prevention related to activities, health awareness program, Balwari and health and hygienic classes for poor deprived children in Gauhati and other places of the state, which is also revealed the environmental hazard faced by public at large. The petitioner society first made itself aware of the adverse impact of the air and water pollution on poor, disenfranchised sections of the society in Assam and Northeast, more particularly Gauhati, its adjacent areas.
Where is this unit located? Which place?
Our office, my
Not
Lord.
this place, this unit.
It's in going on. you need to,
Amingaon.
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 Thereafter, the petitioner NGO has conducted further research into this field and found several glaring irregularities and outright illegalities in the manner in which various industries were operating in the industrial belt in Lokhra, Sonapur, Amingaon area outside Gauhati city. This issue was clear dear to the petitioner's cause as it has been working interiorly.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Barua? Pollution Control Board?
Yes. In fact, this
The
matter,
allegations are correct or not?
there is no such, because ultimately it has to function only when regard to the pollution aspect will come in. But here it is yet to commission. It is yet to commission. It was a existing plant which was of carbon.
No, if it is an existing plant, how is it not
That is-
commissioning?
That is with regard to different production capacity. Now it is with CPC. So this unit has been granted consent to establish say, way back in 2012. Then within that consent to establish period, they ought to have established the unit, but they, for some economic reasons or whatever reasons, they couldn't go ahead with the production. So ultimately, finally, the PCB notification of 2018 comes, whereby the board has said that no new industries, coke industries should be established in Assam. Only the existing can be functioning with proper pollution control measures.
Thereafter?
Thereafter, the Assam Gazette notification has been issued that CPC unit can be functioning only if at all they are not using it as a fuel in the state of Assam. After that, that same unit, the unit of the private respondent, they have gone for an application saying that we are not using it as a fuel, but as feedstock. As feedstock we will use. They have feedstock. Raw
material. Okay.
So that's notification says that it cannot be used as a fuel. So that was the only criteria. And MC Mehta, judgment of MC Mehta also comes in the way in 2018.
You have filed your affidavit, Mr.
We have
Barua?
filed two different affidavits also. Two affidavits we have made.
So
it
why
clear.
is it pending now, Mr. Chaudhary?
Milord, actually, actually, Milord, the regular bench is headed by Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Justice A.D. Chaudhary. Perhaps A.D. Chaudhary has some difficulty in taking up the matter, that's why. Otherwise, this matter could have been completed by now.
Okay.
Now, lots of once finally.
Today,
finally-
today who had short time? You had short time or what?
Not as such, no.
On legs.
I was on legs in another.
No, that is okay. Mr.
Finally.
Atreya, you have filed your affidavit?
Yes, pleadings are
All
completed.
completed, counter arguments are also being exchanged. And they have approached the court previously saying that they haven't been granted the consent to establish because they have applied through the ease of doing business. Finally, the court has intervened and they have said that pendency should not be a bar. After that, the board have gone and constituted a technical committee.
Hearing. No? Regular bench को तो यदि चौधरी ऐसे ना taken action. The second one is the board.
Otherwise, my lord, the matter was listed on 2-3 occasion in court number 3. On 1 or 2 occasion, my lord, there was adjournment. On 1 and 2 occasion, my lord, the matter did not reach also.
But it is for final hearing now.
Yes. Matter is ready for disposal.
Regular bench to local order the issue that.
In fact, lots of the board have been issuing notice after notice. 3 different notices has been issued. Initial notice of
To whom?
We have issued
To whom?
not to any particular. We have given notifications. This notification as initial, it was issued that the new coke unit in the state of Assam shall be banned. Only the existing can function. Then we came up with another notification in 2019 saying that yes, it can be used provided the CPC is not used as a fuel.
They have already submitted.
Yes.
They have given undertaking that is
has
not
been-
for fuel.
Yes.
Then,
Thirdly, that notification has been we have just abandoned that notification.
Partially,
now
my,
petitioner
partially
says-
my learned friend is arguing against his own brief,
No,
partially.
I'm not.
Yes, yes, I'll
No,
establish.
petitioner is trying to project the case that since 2020 notification comes in.
Now
this
it
has
can be used
withdrawn
for
the earlier
fuel.
one.
Well,
So earlier
Now
one
it can
comes
be
in.
used for fuel also.
No,
Nothing of that sort,
No,
Milord.
he
They
said that he-
themselves,
they-
no, not, I'll place the document by which they have banned this industry. How can they say that it is now open? Yes, there was a notification whereby it was withdrawn, then again it was reimposed.
The ban.
Yes.
Third
My
notification
lord,
again.
when this stay order was passed, my lord, there was lot of discussion after taking note of everything, the original interim order was passed. And my lord, I'll show how by applying subterfuge, my lord, they are trying to establish their case. It's a pure and simple case. This activity is in red zone. It cannot be permitted. And as we all
No,
know,
we have noticed in the earlier orders of this court.
yes.
Okay, let this be before the regular bench.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Atre, before a regular bench. On a joint request made by the learned counsel, no, write the name. Harshri K. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Das. You are there with?
Yes, yes.
Das. For the petitioner, also heard Sri State Council, Sri P. Sharma, learned State Council, Sri S. Barua, learned Standing Council, PCB, and Sri E. Atre, learned counsel for response number 4. On a joint request, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week. After a
Next
week.
item, next item.
Fixed date will be difficult because if the bench has a difficulty.
Yes.
You know, after a week.
Interim order.
Interim, is it limited by time?
Yes.
Interim order passed earlier, then extended till the next date of listing. Okay.
Next to kiman item? Item what?
And what was this MM carbon? Oh, this is IA.
Same.
I was stated.
My lord, this is a matter regarding, my lord, amongst the T tribe, my lord, there is a community who believe in Islam, my lord. They are called Jolha community. Now, my lord, earlier they were in the OBC list, MOBC list. Now they have been brought to OBC list, to which we have put a challenge to. It will take some time, my lord.
Yes. One more was moved last week by Mr. BP Bora. They were in MOBC, then brought to OBC. Now
OBC.
say that they will not get the benefit of a T tribe.
Yes.
But that was not pertaining to an
There are,
extreme
we
community.
didn't know, my lord, there are about 8 to 9 lakhs of people in the state. Actually, they are considered as the, my lord, similar lines like Moria community.
Okay, yes. Heard-
Actually, my lord, the Honorable Chief Justice has heard this matter at some length. My lord has expressed his.
On a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
My lord, may kindly give a date in the
This will not,
first week of June, my lord.
date should we give, will not give a date.
Lordship can give it, convenient, subject to your lordship.
No, if we give a date, we don't want to cause inconvenience to another bench. This is a very irregular, very temporary kind of a.
Or in that case, let the matter be listed after a week, we'll fix the date. Yes, yes.
Listed after a week.
Deep.
Yes, sir. Who's there? G. Goswami? Where is Mr. G. Goswami? And other side, S. Seal, Kanungo. Mr. Goswami, your matter.
Item number 30, my lord.
Yes, not 30, 22.
Oh, no, my lord, sorry, my lord.
22, who is there?
My lord.
There is no item 30 today.
My lord.
There is no item 30 today.
I think this is your case, 22.
My lord, yes, my lord. Last.
Chairman come anything.
Yes, sorry, my
Ah.
lord. I am sorry, my lord. Actually, my lord, the other side, actually, they paid for time, my lord. Actually, I was not, yesterday I was absent, my lord. I could not sign that paper, my lord, actually, that.
They have
told
given
me, my
some
lord.
adjournment notice.
Adjournment,
Adjournment
no,
notice.
not there, my lord. Not there, my lord. I was absent, my lord, so I could not sign that paper, my lord. Probably that is why they told me over telephone, my lord, yesterday. They'll seek time, my lord.
Nobody is there. Filing adjournment slip doesn't.
No, they have not filed,
Doesn't
my lord.
absolve the.
No, they have not filed, my lord. Not filed, my lord.
Advocate not to make a request.
Yes,
And
my
that is also not filed. Okay, I heard speech G. Goswami learned counsel for the petitioner. Puts up, however, none appears for the respondent. Para, in that view of the matter. In that view, comma, the matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
But
if you want, we can give you a date. List on 11th of May.
Well.
26, 30.
Yes,
May I
madam.
please, Lordship, on the earlier date, my senior counsel has taken adjournment as he is, due to medical emergency, his son is not well. Today also, he is not able to attend this court.
17 matter, we said that we'll
Yes.
consider for a short. Madam, we have to make alternative arrangement. This is 17 matters. We cannot
Kindly
afford
give
to.
me a last chance, sir. Kindly this matter be fixed on Monday.
Okay, we'll accommodate you. Somebody is not well. What is your name, madam?
Ardas.
Miss Ardas, Learned Counsel, has made a prayer for adjournment on behalf of Sri Jed Hamad, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, on medical grounds. Also heard Miss A. Verma, Learned Counsel for the Home Department. Sarah, this court on the last occasion, that is 28/4/2026, had reluctantly accepted the prayer for adjournment as the writ petition is pending since the year 2017. Para. As an exceptional circumstance, comma, a last opportunity is granted to the petitioner. Para, let's list this matter on Thursday next. Thursday next for hearing.
Deeply honest.
I think it's 6th.
Thursday will be 7th.
27.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood.
May I be the last?
Item
Implement
number
order,
27. Yes, madam, 27. You're there.
Yes, Lord.
Where are you smiling?
Lordship, my reinforcement was on way, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship was looking at the empty chair.
Okay. Please, record that there.
implement order, kindly see page 35.
We can come to the
Documents.
documents.
Yes.
That will be better.
Then Lordship may exhibit documents, that is B. One, exhibit A is the notice issued by the tribunal. So that is not important.
Not important.
But exhibit B is the voter list of 1970,
Page.
page 15. Here, the name of my father and mother is present. Father is Mohez Ali.
Page
15.
15.
$2,070. Village Mulbari.
This is Abhaipuri.
Yes.
Village.
Mulbari.
Where do you get?
Page 15.
Left side. Oh,
Name of village.
left side. Mulberry.
Oh, yes, yes. 350 Mulbari. Who is Mohaj?
Mohaj Ali is my father. And
Father.
Zarina alias Zabina is my mother.
Zarina Khatun, mother.
Mother.
Okay.
And there is a Khotian, that is Exhibit D, page 17. Land Khotian, page 17, in the name of my father.
Oh. Any date?
Date actually in original, that is page 18, Xerox copy. Date, the tribunal has put the date on bottom.
2018.
No, this is tribunals.
Tribunals, yes.
No, the date. Why? How would it be this be relevant unless
Yes,
it
sir.
has a date?
No. Any date I do not see. But it is Government of Assam acquired business state. The Jamindari, during the period of Jamindari system in Assam, it is issued by Jamindar. So here, Mohesh Ali's name is here in page 18 bottom. So that is not there. But one thing I think, 81 in between.
In the records, you might make out something. Just see.
That is not seen properly. Anyway, the 70 is the main thing. Then, my lord, may kindly see page 20, voter list of 1985, page 20. Here, my father's name is not there because prior to this voter list, he died. So, my mother's name Javina Bewa, Vidhova. So, Mahizuddin, my father, it is written. My mother's name is written in the voter list of 1985.
This is Jobina.
Javina alias Zorina.
Jubina.
Father's name is there, village is same, Mulbari. And in this voter list, my name is also there.
House number is also different.
Is Sattar. Abdul Sattar.
What is your name?
Abdul Sattar.
Abdul Sattar.
Yes. Tanab Mohizuddin.
Sattar CH. Alias Sattar Ali.
Sattar Ali is not yet seen.
No, you have written yourself. Your own declaration.
Maybe.
In the petition, you have written.
But in this document, Sattar Ali is not here.
Oh.
In this document, A Sattar, that is Abdul Sattar is written. So see, this is the linkage with my father, with my mother. And her name also appears in 70.
And there is no voters list prior to 1985, in spite of the fact that you are aged 28 years
Yes.
in 1985.
Yes, as per record, it is seen like that.
And your
Now,
father
let's
was
see, land Jamabandi,
Mahesh Ali. is it?
page 22.
Your father's name was Mahesh Ali. It
Mahe-
became Uddin later.
Hello?
After his death,
Mohez Ali alias Mohizuddin.
And Jarina became Jabina.
Mahesh Ali Sheikh.
Mohez Ali Sheikh,
So
Mohizuddin.
many names.
And first in
These are-
first village is 350.
These are common.
This is 167 Mulibari.
Oh. 350 Mulibari.
This is
167. Our house number is also different.
House number may be changed from time to time, but village name is there, Mulbari. House number changes because earlier in between there was no man, some person then constructed their house, so house number changes. Village is Mulbari is there, page 20 with my mother. And this page 22 is the Jamabandi. Is the Jamabandi, page 22, in the name of, in my name. In my name, Jamabandi is there, and
Date?
father's name is Mohez Ali.
Date.
Dated dated it is perhaps it will be 15 to 14. From Akhil Kumar Roy, Bijni Revenue Circle. So 15 to 2014. In my name, there is a land. This land is situated at Jamdoha, nearby village. I have land there. But it is important that here my father's name is written. Sattar Ali, son of Mohez Ali.
But inheritance part is not there in the Assamese vernacular part. Yeah, I suppose.
This next page.
Inherit
Next page 23.
to protect.
And serial number 5, Sattar Ali.
Number Kali Srini Kali. Ki ebar?
Page 2, 3. Serial number 5 is my name.
Yes, Sattar Ali.
Yes. Sattar Ali, son of Mohez Ali.
And what about the hukum or order?
Hello?
The order, the hukum. In the remark column, you have translated that this part of land is in land chitta dated Sattar Ali are inherited in place of Junal Ali. Where is this in the vernacular part?
It is not written like that. It is not written like that. So it is the mistake of revenue authority.
But no. How have you translated? These are not legible at all. That is what my sister has said.
No, it is legible. Sattar Ali, son of Mohez Ali, it is legible.
No. In the this you have translated in the vernacular at page 24. How do you read this?
No, that is not translated.
No, that is translated from where did you get? Where did you get this part? To remark as per order of the circle officer, Chitta dated so and so.
বহুত গিটা ব্রাদার্স আছে চাগে
কিন্তু ক'ৰ পৰা গম পাব? ঠিক আছে।
মহেশ আলী
At page 24.
হুকুম to do এনেকে স্লাইডতে থাকে
I was at, that's it, at 10, 11, 13. 10, 11, 13.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, next.
It is not visible. Perhaps at that time original was brought. So it is not visible, my lord.
Okay, we'll check from the records.
Yes.
We'll check from the records.
Then computer generated ration card in the name of my father, page 25. Page 25. Third number.
This is Sattar Ali.
Sattar Ali, son of Mohez Ali.
This is
Sattar Ali, son of Mohez Ali. So it is computer generated ration card.
this is Mahesh Ali. Mahesh. Mahesh.
Mohesh is what I will say. It is matter of record. So Sattar Ali, son of Mohesh Ali. There is J, here is SH. Then Panchayat certificate in my name, that is page 26. Of course, it is not exhibited, so I am not writing this. Then, my lord, may kindly see page 31, cross-examination.
Let us see what have you stated in your written statement at page 27.
Before that, my lord, I
Well,
want
there are
to
disclosure.
show you, to show you one thing, my lord. Page, kindly see page 35 for a moment. Here, 35, it starts the opinion. 36, a lordship would see 36, State of Assam versus Abdul Sattar, appearance advocate for the state nil. And Mr. D.A. Rahim and J. Khatun, advocates for the opposite party. So we see cross-examination here. Now, question is that who crossed this person? So it is very pertinent question. On that count alone, I think the order is liable to be set aside.
Cross is done by the court.
Cross-examination by court. Because from state, there is no lawyer. So in a katana of judgments are there that if the cross-examination is done by tribunal, on that count, the order
But is it cross or
Hello?
are these questions?
There is cross matter. There is cross, page 31.
No, we've seen 33. 33 is the original. It is not cross.
No,
And
it
in
is,
case when the APP is not there, how do you get the truth?
no, it is cross because from the questions it is clear. Page 31, kindly see. It is a fact that on so-and-so, I received a notice of this FT by police on presence of Mr. Muhammad Harez Ali, and I also recorded my statements. Thumb impression in the signature witness. Exhibit A3 is the process server report. Exhibit A4 as
Just a minute.
I don't know, me in middle portion.
Yes.
Page 29 is my chief. Page 29.
Yes, yes, please.
And page 31 is my cross. And it is apparent that this cross examination was conducted by tribunal itself. So that is enough to set aside the order.
No,
Tribunal,
that at best, that cross will go. Will it be enough to set aside your burden which you had to discharge,
No,
that
my
you
lord.
are not a foreigner but a citizen?
No, my lord. Just recently, I think less than 1 month back, in my own cases, 2 cases, when the cross examination of my learned friends know, I have today I have not brought that order because I thought that with my Lord Justice.
No, Mr. Mahmood, for a moment, let us assume that we are with you.
Yeah.
Even if we discard the cross, we have to apply our mind whether the materials which you have put forward in the tribunal would be sufficient to come to a conclusion that you are a citizen of India. Let the cross be ignored. We will not even
yes, I
examine.
have understood.
We will not even take the
I
cross.
have understood your point, but thing is this, when the coordinate bench has taken a decision that when the cross examination is done by the tribunal itself, matter is set aside and remanded. Now, if your lordship take a different view, it should go to
What is the decision? We have not come across. There are many cases where APP was not there. Questions were put by the tribunal. It cannot be a cross-examination per se, but questions can be put for clarification because the ultimate objective is to arrive at a truth.
No, one or two questions, that is another. Here, entire.
Okay, we'll examine this. Please keep on, complete your arguments. You said that cross could not have been done by the tribunal.
Tribunal, yes. Because 29 is my chief.
Yes, correct.
And thereafter, cross-examination starts, that is page 31. Here, one thing, my lord, actually, my lawyer has also committed certain mistakes. I had my mother is alive, but he did not. When I asked the lawyer that I will give some more evidence, he said that it is enough. Kindly see page 8, my lord. Page 8.
Yes.
After 7 lines, kindly see in between. In this regard, it is worthy to mention that he has his mother and brother, Jorina Bawa and Rashid Ali, who could have been examined as DWs to establish his linkage with his father, but his advocate did not advise him to adduce any evidence in support of his linkage, though he informed that, if necessary, he may adduce further evidence if asked for. But the said lawyer said that no further evidence is necessary, and mainly for this, he has been declared as an illegal migrant.
But had they come, only oral evidence would not be sufficient.
By oral evidence, linkage has to be established. When there is a document.
Without the documentary evidence, how could that be?
No. Document is 70. 70 document is enough because cut-off date is 25th March 1971. So 70 document in my father and mother's name appear. Thereafter, my mother's name appear with my wife of so and so, but he died. So linkage is there. Moreover, as per section 50 of the Indian Evidence Act, any person who has thorough knowledge regarding a person, regarding a thing or any material, he may adduce evidence. But what happened? My lawyer did not advise. So only one evidence I have given. So that has been also mentioned by learned tribunal that he has not given any other witness. So this is the wrong of the advocate, and that is why advocate is made as a party by name. By name, he is a party.
Is he?
So, my lord,
Have you lodged any complaint against him?
yes,
In the Bar Council?
yes,
In the Bar Council?
page 40, I have annexed that.
Page 14.
40. 40 rupees have been, rupees 1,000 has been also given, and page 41 is the petition.
Ivan Abdul Rahim, Bongaigaon Bar. এই তেওঁলোকে যদি এক্সামিন কৰিলে হয় কি হ'ল ডকুমেণ্টছ দিব লাগিব
You have asked that question. The oral evidence will not change the character of the case.
ডকুমেণ্টছ
So, my lord, when there is a very good evidence, my mother is a good witness in this case, and I have also my brother whom will linkage, and some other elderly person may be provided, may be adduced, but due to wrong advice, so that was not done. And secondly, the cross-examination was done by the learned tribunal.
পঞ্চায়ত ছেক্ৰেটাৰীক আনিব লাগিছিল বাৰু
Cross-examination was done by the learned tribunal. So, my lord, both these two are major things. And when there is a question of citizenship, it should be taken very seriously. Because if I lose the case, my fate will be very dark in future. So I think it is.
Your friend means?
Fate.
Your fate.
My luck will be very badly affected because I shall have to spend time in detention camps. Bangladesh is not taking any person. So somewhere government, it is the Honorable Chief Minister speech that when there is no BDR, then we push back. That is another thing, political statement. But actually, these persons are not taken by the Bangladesh. Because they are asked, where is your address in Bangladesh? They cannot say because they are not Bangladeshi. Due to differences in names and ages and due to ignorance. So, apart from that, this cross-examination was done by learned tribunal.
Correct.
And lawyer did not advise me to adduce evidence. And I have also lost petition before the Bar Council, depositing rupees 1,000. In such a situation, my lord, as I think, a case should be remanded to giving me a chance to prove my nationality.
Okay. Yes, madam.
Lordship, whatever document he has annexed, each document, the name is separate, is different from the other one, Lordship.
For example?
1970
Page.
voters list,
Page.
Lordship. 1970s voters list, Lordship, is from page 15, annexure 2, Lordship. Here the father's name is shown as Mahej Ali and mother is Jarina Khatun, Lordship. And it is a
You come to page 16.
Yes, Lordship, page 16, Lordship, this translated copy is not an admissible piece of evidence. We have many judgments to that, Lordship. Lordship will then come to the next final Khatyan, which is at page 17.
Just a minute. First, you say that names are not consistent.
There are 5 documents and 5 different name and 5 documents.
Names and
Lordship.
5 different documents are not consistent. Yes.
Names of the father.
Father, first it is in 1970, it is Mahej Ali. Then it is in the final Khatyan, it is Mahej Ali Sheikh. Then Lordship will come to In 1985, Lordship, here the mother's name changes. First it is Zarina Khatun and here it is Jobina Beva. And now he's submitting that mother was alive and she could not adduce evidence. And father's name also changes here. From Jobina Beva's husband becomes Mahejuddin. Name of the mother changes and the father changes in both the voters list of 1970 and in 1985. And A. Sattar, according to him, it is Abdul Sattar and it's the son of my projected parents. Names have changed with each document, Lordship. Then Lordship will come to the Jamabandi Lordship. Here from A Sattar, he becomes Sattar Ali. The petitioner here becomes Sattar Ali and father is Mahej Ali. Again, a discrepancy in the names, Lordship. Then Lordship will come to the ration card, though it is not important, Lordship, but here the name again goes for a complete toss. Sattar Ali from A Ali to from Abdul Ali, Abdul Sattar, it becomes Sattar Ali and father becomes some Mahesh Ali. Lordship may then come to his written statement. In his pleadings, he has said that his mother was alive, he has a brother, but in the written statement, there is no mention of his mother or his brother. That is at page 27, Annexure 8, Lordship. It is only his father's 4 names and he has 4 or 5 names that has not been stated there. It is just I, Abdul Sattar, alias Sattar Ali in the verification part. The Lordship, in his own documents, he has not been able to show his linkage with his projected father and mother, neither with his brother, who he says is there. And the discrepancy part. Land documents, my friend has gone through it, Lordship, because it's a vernacular. He says it is not by way of inheritance, it is by way of purchase. In the
Not
year
inheritance, but
2030,
purchase.
it has been
But in
mutated.
the translated version, said inherited. At page
That
22.
is the problem. When they translate, the whole meaning changes, Lord.
Now, what is there in the vernacular?
Because he's
Oh.
reading from the records.
What is that will be different?
So that is again
The strength
suppression
of,
facts also, Lordship. Misleading the court in the translated part. And Lordship, for this translated copy of the voters list, I'm relying on one judgment. Lordship, may I read it?
What judgment?
It is WPC 2460 of 2016. Isiran Nesa.
246016.
Yes, Lordship. Party's name is Isiran, ISIRAN NESSA. Isiran Nesa versus Union of India.
Date of the judgment.
Lordship, date of the judgment is 10/4/2018.
Paragraph.
This not, it is no paragraph. Lordship, I give this copy to Lordship. I may read it from here. Lordship, we just look up the copy. Lordship, paragraph starts from
Careful.
on a careful and conjoint reading of the aforesaid provisions of the Evidence Act together, the definition of certified copy, we are of an unhesitant view that a translated copy such as exhibits A and D cannot be construed as certified copies and therefore cannot be treated as secondary evidence. This position is further strengthened if we look at exhibits A and D because there is no certification by the competent authority certifying that the extracts are true copies from the original. We may also observe that though certified copies are admissible as secondary evidence, it would be so only if those are issued by the competent authority. Admission of photostat copies, even if attested by notary public, is improper and inadmissible in evidence under Section 63 of the Evidence Act. That apart, certified copies of documents, not to speak of photostat copies, not coming within the ambit of clauses A or E of Section 65 would not be admissible in evidence. That apart, as a general principle, secondary evidence is not admissible until non-production of primary evidence is satisfactorily accounted for. In addition, we may also refer to Section 66 of the Evidence Act, as per which secondary evidence of the contents of documents shall not be given unless the party proposing to give such secondary evidence had previously given to the party in whose possession or power the document is such notice to produce it as is prescribed by law. In other words, a party desirous of adducing secondary evidence must not only satisfactorily explain non-production of primary evidence, but also must give previous notice to the party who is in possession of the primary evidence. And if despite such notice, the primary evidence should not produce before the tribunal by the custodian of the primary evidence, in such a situation, the tribunal may invoke its power under Order 4 of the Foreigners Tribunal, Order 1964, to issue summons to the custodian of the primary evidence and not as a matter of course. So the voters list also goes, Lordship, and self serving affidavit does not stand.
Where has it, any affidavit been filed? Self-service.
In his own written statement, he says oral is that I am so and so, and I verify that these are the one and the same person. Lordship, in his father's.
Where? Page? Is it there?
It doesn't say it's one and the same.
No, it's not
No,
there.
it doesn't say that, Lordship.
It's not there in this case.
There is one affidavit, Lordship.
He says in his affidavit,
Yes,
not written statement.
Lordship, I'm regular voter.
My father's name is Mahazari. My actual name is Sarkar Ali. Due to some mistake, one and the same person. Aru bape koro. Mahazali is one and the same person.
1 second. In his affidavit, Lordship, he says he has produced all the documents in his written statement, but
ठीक है
his
सर
written statement it is not.
ठीक है उत्तर दिया But actually regarding this Jamabandi translated part, there may be grammatical mistake, but thing is correct because it is written here. Siddharth Chakraborty Mohodayor 10-11-13 ইংরেজি তারিখৰ উত্তৰাধিকাৰ সূত্ৰে দখল সূত্ৰে 3 নম্বৰ পট্টাদাৰ স্থলত যথাক্ৰমে সাত্তাৰ আলী পিতা মহেজ আলী শ্ৰী শামসুল হক পিতা আব্দুল হামিদ আলী so it is written there উত্তৰাধিকাৰ সূত্ৰে
Inherited.
it is there actually letters are not so clear but it could be understood so regarding that one now regarding anomalies in names I have given a statement that may be in page 6 para 10 the petitioner expresses that there are some anomalies regarding his grandfather's name, father's name, and mother's name, and his name as well as ages. His grandfather's correct name would be Tahir Fakir, but somehow recorded as Tahir Ali, which are names of one person. That is his grandfather, Ananans. His father's correct name is Mohez Ali, but due to some bona fide mistake, somewhere recorded as Mohez Ali Sheikh, Mohezuddin, and Mohesh Ali, which are the names of one person, and that is his father, none else. Again, her mother's correct name is Jorina Bewa, but somewhere recorded as Zobina Bewa. Jorina Khatun and Jorina are one and same person, that is his mother and none else. Moreover, in some documents, the name of the petitioner appears as Sattar Ali and A. Sattar instead of Abdul Sattar. Hence, Sattar Ali, A. Sattar, and Abdul Sattar is one and same person, none else. The above mentioned anomalies regarding the names and age are the mistakes committed by the enumerators, government agencies, and competent authorities, not committed by the petitioner nor his father, mother, for which they cannot be held responsible as they are not the writers of those documents. In this regard, the division bench of Honorable High Court in WB number so-and-so, reported in so-and-so, held that due to the anomalies in names and ages, the citizenship of a person cannot be taken away. So we have given explanation what the reasons of this anomalies in names, and this 70 document, they have not said that it is false. So when they have not said, it is the honors to prove them it is false.
But then this is a translated copy of the electoral roll.
Of
1970.
Yes, the translated.
70.
Another thing, Lordship, the Jamabandi which he has annexed, it has to relate itself to the 1970 voters list, the same village. Again, this Jamabandi has a different village.
So what? I have property here in Gauhati also at Bongaigaon. Does it?
But your name.
That is not the reason.
Names also do not.
And it is
Sattar Ali and father is Mahesh Ali. In 1970s voters list, his father is Mahesh Ali.
That's a clarification we have already given. Now it is.
13 Lordship, not earlier.
Mhm.
The mutation is of 2013.
Yes, that is true.
You can have property anywhere, but it has to be in the same.
When did your father pass away?
My lord.
When did your father
In
pass?
between 66 to 70. 66 to 70, he died. Exact date is not known.
No, 70, your name was there.
No,
After 70.
after, yes, 70 to 85.
Oh.
In between 70 to 85, he died. So, my lord, actually, my lord, what happened, this due to the ages, no, earlier occasion, at present, people have become conscious. In the enumerator goes into a headman of the village or important person, such they sit. And he there asks who is the owner of this house, how many children he has. So sometimes names are also different, nickname are used, and ages কিমান বছৰ হ'ব 20 বছৰ হ'ব এটা কৈ দি in that manner there are differences. So that we have given explanation. But apart from that, only 2 counts are enough. First thing, I was wrongly advised not to adduce evidence, and second thing, tribunal took the cross-examination. So my learned friend has said these things regarding anomalies, that we have given clarification. But 70 documents they have not challenged. If 70 documents they have not challenged, so it is admissible in evidence. And 70's connection is later on we see. Now regarding what are my brothers and sisters who are in a family tree, that is not written there. So what we can do? That is not there, I cannot make it.
No, that is a requirement under
Yes,
chapter 20.
requirement,
Paragraph 26.
but it has not come. What we can do now in High Court? In High Court we cannot do anything.
Doing our best, let us see what we can do. Okay.
So it is a good case for remand.
Let us see what can be done. Anything else? Madam? Sharma? No, P. Sharma. Khorida utre.
উত্তরা দক্ষিণ উ দ আছে উ দ দ উত্তর দক্ষিণ দখল হতে
No, if it is Uttar, there'll not be Do. Do will be the only one is Khoridar.
actually not so visible. But that is a letter document. That will not establish my citizenship. My citizenship will establish by 70.
Provided you are able to build up a link with you and your projected father.
Yes.
That is it.
Link is because father, after 70 he died, so my link is with my mother. In 70s voter list, my mother's name is there.
Again, mother's voters list as a Beva. He just mentioned.
Beva
that
means
she's a
what?
widow.
No, but perhaps your lordships well aware. In normally the illiterate persons, normally illiterate persons when husband dies, they in Muslim community, the women write their names as Beva. Beva means man widow.
This was never the case.
Well,
No woman after her husband's death changes the surname.
it should not be, but it is
This
used.
is a new concept that I'm hearing. After death of the husband, one becomes Beva.
No,
This is-
even I say the husband. Many times I say husband. If your wife dies, then you say Rahim Bewa, Abdul Rahim Bewa. Why you don't write? Your wife has died. So in this way, I do whatever I can do in my chamber. But what is already there in record, that cannot be changed.
Sir. Acha, Ms. Verma, did you give a decision on electoral, the photo, translated?
That was it.
That Isiran?
Yes, yes.
Isiran is on certified copies.
Yes, this is the translated copy.
Huh.
Translated,
Which one?
1970.
Acha, acha. Huh.
1970 is a.
There is a mention here.
Translated copy, yes.
We did translated.
Translated, right? Let me see.
So in that case, the procedure will have an obligation to call for the electoral persons.
Yes, Lord.
Well, it is certified copies translated. Because it is not so visible, kindly see page 15 and 16. This is certified copy.
No, she is not denying certification. She is only saying that it's a certified translated copy. If it's a translated copy, it may not be an admissible piece of evidence per se. You need to prove it by the electoral officer. Okay, we'll consider.
It will continue or it is ended. And the argument is.
You want to continue?
No.
You also don't want to continue.
No, right.
Okay. M.A. Mohammed and A. Verma, standing constitutional. Then M. Kolita, ECI, and P. Sharma, State Council. And CDC? N. Bora. M. Bora for SP Chaudhary, CDC. Hearing is concluded.
My lord, only one sentence I am saying. This 70 voter list, translated copy of electoral rolls. Here is the signature of government official.
Correct.
So, my lord, when public issue, section 21 of IPC, now perhaps it will be different. So, public documents should be, the persons is a public document who is getting some remuneration from the government. So, public documents should be accepted without examining its author. There are many judgments.
Contested matter lordships. Page 31, my lord, it is the Authorised of 1960.
What is your name?
Hamsul Haq lordship.
No, your
M Haq lordships.
your M Hawk.
Lordships.
Petitioner is Samsul Ali.
Yes, lordships. Some impugn order, my lord, page 22.
Just a minute. M Hawk. Yes, please place the documents.
Page 31 is the, my lord, Quota list of 1966, where is my father's name appeared, lordships.
31.
Yes, lordship. That is translation copy. And 32 is the vernacular, lordships.
Just a minute. Not mine. It was the one. Certified copy.
Lordships.
32. This is voter list of which year?
1966.
Shiraz Ali. Who is Shiraz Ali?
Shiraz Ali is my father, lordships.
And Mimisa Khatun is your mother?
Yes, lord. She is my mother, lordships.
Momisa.
Momisa Khatun, lordships.
Okay.
And page 33, lordships.
33.
Lordship. That is Annexure 5. That's a Quota list of 1970. And 34 is the, my lord, vernacular.
Hmm. This is not certified copy.
This is the executed document, lordship.
Exhibited.
Lordships.
33. What is there?
Here also
1970.
1970. Lordship. Here also my father's name appeared, lordships, as Shiraz Ali, and my mother's name written as Romisa Khatun. My lord.
Momisa has been here. Momisa.
Romisa. Now Romisa, Romisa, lordships.
Who is the other one? Uncle? Oh no, it's Amar Kumba.
Kuddus Ali is a neighbor, lordships.
Kumba Bale.
Hmm.
Other one, Kuddus Ali, that is his neighbor, lordships.
Hmm.
And next, lordships. Gaubra certificate, that is page 35.
Where is your voters list?
My lord, that is page 13.7 lordships.
Now 36 is the Gaubura certificate.
Lordship, 37 is the, my lord,
First, let us see 36 chronology wise, Gaubura certificate.
lordships. My name appeared in the vote, page 37.
No, 36 is the Gaubura.
Lordship.
also locked with other list. He has come to depose,
No lordships, he has not come.
did not come.
Lordships.
Son stayed at a different place.
Lordship,
Son is staying at a different place.
son, I could
Mm.
not follow.
No, his address is different, no? Dorong.
Yes,
Earlier it was Kamrup.
yes, lordship.
Father stayed
Yes,
at
yes.
Kamrup.
Father's shifted lordships.
Father shifted.
Lordships.
But this certificate not proved.
Not.
Thereafter,
Madam, page 37. No. Gaura. Nine.
His petitioner and his wife.
Anna Hatun, yes. Petitioner's wife, lordship.
You don't have a voters list along with your father. No.
No lordship. That is actually my, as per my instruction, that is here, dear lordship, but that is not exhibited by the learned advocate during trial lordships. And I have the total list of 1985
Hmm.
in my hand, but that is not exhibited lordships. So that,
85, your father was there.
yes, yes, father is there. But in that botalis also, I could not find my father's name because it is not clearly visible lordships.
but your village is also Kirakara.
Lordships. They have shifted lordship from Kamrup to Dorong lordships. Yes, now it is Borpeta lordship, Borpeta district.
Again shifted.
No. Earlier, my lord, Kamrup, thereafter it is Amdivarat Kamrup. Thereafter it is become Borpeta. And now thereafter shifted lordships.
The erstwhile place, the earlier place.
Yes. Kamrup Baba was together lordship earlier. Thereafter it was divided lordships.
Go ahead.
My lord.
Then 93.
93 page 39 lordships. My name appeared as 10661 and my wife's name also appeared, my lord. in
Hmm.
serial number 662.
But your father's name has changed from Siraj to Suraj.
Originally, his name is Siraj Ali, Lordships.
No, but Samsul Haq, son of Suraj.
Hmm.
See the vernacular.
Yes, Lordship, Suraj.
In English, there may be some mistake. The vernacular,
yes.
this is
No, English
very
also
clear.
in Suraj.
House number has also changed. 1024 was earlier in 1990. Then 336 in
In
1993.
1990, my lord, Siraj.
Siraj. House number is different.
Actually, no, yes. In 1990, Lordship Siraj Ali, next series becomes Suraj in 1993, man. But my wife also name appeared, Lordship.
yes. What is there?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, page 41. Total is not 2010. That is not 35 copy, Lordship. In the photo also my name appeared and my wife name appeared, Lordship. And Lordship next.
Your wife becomes Begum.
Anna Begum.
Hmm.
Yes, Lordship.
So how do you link? See, there are two voters list of 66 and 70 having the name of one Siraj Ali. So
Lordship.
this is pre-1970, which is of a crucial period.
Lordships.
The only connection of you is a voters list of 1990, where you are said to be son of Samsul Haq.
Lordships.
The address is also changed.
Lordships.
So how do you reconcile? The Gaupura certificate was given, Gaupura did not come to adduce evidence.
That is true, but my lord, what happened, Lordships?
There has to be some consistency.
Yes, in the
Address have changed, father's name has changed.
in the trial court, Lordship, the learned counsel conducted royal lordship in this case, Lordships. So it could have a good case, Lordship, otherwise.
No, but see, you have to just link with your father. You had given a voters list of 1990 where the name of the father has been written as Samsul Haq.
Lordships.
Now, all along, father was Siraj Ali.
No, my
Sorry,
Siraj Ali.
Siraj Ali. Now he's become Siraj Ali. Then in your voters list, your address changes and there is no father. When did your father pass away?
My lord, 2004.
2004. If he has passed away in 2004, 1990, he should have been in the voter list.
My limited prayer is that, my lord, this matter may be remanded back to the trial court, Lordships, and he should be given an opportunity to.
No, you had the opportunity. You have to make out a case. If your father died in 2004, Where is the voter list? Common. You cannot be wiser after coming to the High Court.
That is not done by the learned trial court in the trial court. So my lord, that I am handicapped lordship. So I cannot, I also not find out lordship. So my I could not submit. So my lord, my humble prayer is that my lord, this matter may be remanded back to the learned trial court.
On what basis? What are the new grounds that you want to cite?
At least my Gauhati, though my lord Gauhati not examined lordship, but he has given a certificate lordship.
That certificate, suppose that certificate is proved. What will it mean? Does the Gauhati knows your father?
Yes, lordship has knows my. It is written lordship. He knows my lord because we live in same area lordships. In his locality lordships. And my lord, what happened? My instruction is that lordships.
This Gauhati is of which Gaon? Sanoa Tari. You are all along in a different village. In village Chikni.
No.
In 1966 Chikni, 1970 Chikni, and in 1990 Kirakara.
Yes, they shifted lordships.
Now this Gauhati is of a village Sanoa/Sanwantari. Why have I said this is not matching?
My lord, it is written.
Praman diya hoye Samprulok, Pita Soenso, Sonwal, Sanwa Gaon, Panchayatar, Antarhuta Gaon, Sonwa. You are not even from that
My
village.
lord, he has written by hand lordship, team number Dholpur.
Yes. You came to Dholpur in the year 2010, that voters list. Now, you said that your father passed away in 2004 in a different village. How does he know your father? And why this village had to be inserted by hand when this panchayat said Antargata Gaon, Honua, Oblique, Honua Tari, 2 number Khondo, 1 number Madar Suba, Komar Suba Gaon, Niz Halmara. Then why this is not written? Why this had to be inserted by hand? Yes, Mr. Sharma?
There only to establish the link with the person whose name reflected in the 1966 and 70 voter list of it.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, 1966 and 70 voter list is different village and other document is.
We have discussed in this case, the CBC will also have to assess this court. CBC cannot prevent mums. So better prepare, madam.
Lordship, what happened, Lordship, in this case, after 1970 to 1993, there is nothing, Lordship, no document has been placed, Lordship, and 1993 voter list is of different village where his father name is not reflected, Lordship. And Lordship only
Just a minute, just go slow. After 1966 and 70,
1993 voter list.
Long gap.
Long gap, Lordship. And this is of different village, Kirakara. And Lordship, only link certificate is the Gauhati certificate, which is not proof, Lordship. Gauhati different.
মাতিব গৈছে নেকি?
this village, but he is saying, Mr. Hawk is saying that this Naumura, who had given the certificate at page 36, though he's from a different village, he had written by hand Tini numbered Holpur. And there is one voters list of 2010, in which the name of the petitioner is there, but that is an uncertified copy.
Uncertified copies and Lordship.
There's nothing
other-
to connect with his Dholpur.
Yes, Lordship. And
93 village is what?
1993 voter list is relying.
What is the village of 93? Case 40.
Kirakara.
Kirakara.
Kod Holpur, Kho Kirakara.
No, 40. Page 40. Page 40 is what? Kod Dholpur. Elaka Kod Dholpur.
Kho Kirakara. But he is not the Gabura of village Holpur Lordship. So Lordship.
Village Elaka. Dholpur.
Apart from that, this Gabura did not come before the tribunal to depose, and Lordship, another aspect, Lordship, document itself is not admissible in evidence, Lordship, because state emblem was embossed at the top of the certificate, Lordship. Already law has been settled in this regard, Lordship. So, Lordship, if the death certificate goes, nothing will remain, Lordship. That's all, Lordship. I think, Lordship, nothing more to submit. And opinion of the tribunal, Lordship,
State emblem is which case?
in Lordship, Gabura certificate.
No, which case?
Lordship, each and every case, Lordship, on earlier occasion.
No. Give us a case law.
Okay. For the 3 GLT 347, Lordship.
18?
3 GLT 347. Today the shuttle, Lordship. First of all, relying on the-
347. What is that?
Yes, yes. Two 2018 3 GLT 347 para Lordship. Para 14 exhibit C is a certificate dated 32/2015 of Gabura Rodavan village certifying that Kudaja Khatun was the daughter of late Donavali for the reasons mentioned above. This certificate was also not proved. Mere filing a document or marking of a document as exhibit is not enough. The certificate as well as contents there would have to be proved by proved. So also the truthfulness thereof in accordance with law. Then Lordship. In Romila Khatun's case, Lordship.
So nothing in Khudeja about emblem?
Regarding Gaubra certificate, Lordship, embossing the state emblem, that part was not in Kudeja, Lordship, but in another case it is there, Lordship. I am giving that.
Kudeja is what paragraph?
Kudeja is para 14, Lordship. Certificate was not proved, Lordship. That aspect was discussed, Lordship. Oh, yes, Lordship. Para 13 and 14, Kudeja will cover, Lordship. Exhibit B is the certificate issued by certificate dated 13/2016 issued by the Gaura certifying that Kudeja Khatun was the wife of A. Motlib. This certificate also has got the state emblem of India embossed on it, and that too not as per the statutory format for the reasons mentioned above, this certificate is also liable to be discarded. However, notwithstanding the same, even if we accept this certificate as its faithfully, it only certificates that Khudaija Khatun was the wife of A. Motlib. Thus, no linkage is established with Jonab Ali, whom petitioner claimed to be her father. Exhibit C, then para 13 and 14, Lordship.
Acha, Mr. Hawk, you had a land. You have a
Lordship.
land.
Lordship.
You have not placed these annexures.
That is also
Where
not,
they exhibited.
as per my judgment, not exhibited lordships. In the opinion, it is written as exhibited, but not annexed by lot.
Revenue paying receipt. Lordship.
Yes, revenue.
Revenue paying.
No revenue paying receipt. Lordship.
It is on, maybe it is on record lordship.
Page 48.
Yes,
No, of your petition.
yes, lordship. This is my petition lordship. Yes, lordship, page 49. Page 49 is the particular lordships. 48 is the my lord. Petition.
This may not be relevant. This has been received by from one Anar Ali on the basis of, on behalf of Samsul Ali. Now you say that your name is Samsul Haq. This is of 2017. Father's name is not there.
In my
How
opinion,
is this relevant?
in my evidence, it is my lord. I have stated that Samsul in some of my documents it is written as Samsul Ali.
No, that is okay. Let us assume that Ali and Haq is the same person.
Lordship.
But how does it connect to you with your projected father, Siraj? This is a document of 2017. This was received from one Anar Ali. How do you know that this Anar Ali had acted on your behalf?
And my instruction is that my lord, in the at Mongolrai, my lord, DC office lordships, 1985 voter list not provided by the authority lordships. There is a notification lordships.
Mr. Hawk, we are not on that.
Lordships.
We are on the relevancy of this particular document.
Lordships.
This document is of the year 2017.
Lordships.
So it is not of that period.
Lordships.
Now, secondly, this document does not contain the name of your father.
Lordships.
Thirdly, it contains the name of a stranger, Anar Ali, who deposits on behalf of Samsul Ali.
Lordship.
Now you have projected that Samsul Ali and Samsul Haq is the same person.
Lordship.
You're stretching too much. In the voters list, there is no mention of any Samsul Ali. First time Samsul Ali has come in.
And my lord, page 47 is the my lord, my voter identity.
And it is not the case that this land was inherited by you from your father.
That is not.
Now, even if you purchase land, that will not make anything in your favor.
Well, page 49 is the my voter identity card lordships.
That is not a proof. Epic is not a proof. Epic is not a proof.
And what is this annexure 11? Nirbasan Patra.
Yes, Lord, Nirbasan Patra.
Chief, I think Lordship, this is applied to for inclusion of their names in the voter list, Lordship. This is the application, Lordship.
Application by whom?
By Siraj Ali lordship, father of the petitioner lordship.
He's there, alive.
No, lordship. And at that time, lordship, in the year
89.
Yes, lordships.
89, he was alive.
Yes, he was alive. He applied lordships. The father of the petitioner applied to include his name.
89 of voter list 9.
Right, I think, my lord, it is when he shifted from my lord Kamrup to Dorang lordships. He applied lordship.
So he died before 93, or when did he die?
2004 lordships.
2004.
Lordships.
Then 93, why his name is not there in the voters list?
It is not found. I have not found lordship.
And Lordship, there is a declaration, Lordship, in the Nirbasan Patra, Lordship.
Even in the uncertified copy of 2010, This is already goes, Anna Begum is there, Phulpur. Yeah, sister is correct, at least from 93 to 2004, there could have been at least one voters list where you along with your father's name should have been enlisted.
That is true, Lordship. That is true. That is admitted, Lordship. But my lord, as per my instruction, Lordship, that they have that documents, Lordships. I asked them again and again, Lordships. They told me that it is their hand and they handed it to the lawyer, Lordship. But that is not exhibited by the learned advocate of the learned trial court, Lordships.
No, even if you don't exhibit, it will find mention in your chief examination. Have you mentioned it?
No, Lordship.
Then
in the chief, nothing is there, Lordship. Nothing is there. Chief and
see,
the
at times documents by mistake, by
Lordship.
negligence, by intention, you may not, but it will be mentioned in the written
That should be,
statement and chief
Lordship.
examination.
Yes, there is
Not there.
that I admitted, Lordship.
So it's difficult to
Well,
accept your version.
my humble prayer is that, my lord, this petitioner may not be, my lord, disqualified from citizenship because, my lord, at least one operation may be given, Lordships.
Mr. Hawk, due opportunity has been granted. That is why the proceeding was before the tribunal. With these documents, do you see, it will be a countless, endless exercise. There are case laws which have said that this cannot be an endless exercise.
And my lord, 1985 document also in my hand, Lordships. And there is voter
Which
list, 1985, Lordships.
What is leadership? We are not required to see, but let us see
Yes,
what is it.
Lordships. That is why, my lord, I have not submitted, Lordships.
This is the uncertified.
Yes,
copy,
Lordship.
then
My lord, what happened, my lord?
what evidence will value otherwise also?
No,
You cannot have.
May I submit
That's a
one?
different matter. That for the extreme interest
May I submit, Lordship?
and of justice, we had seen it.
No, my lord, what happened, Lordship?
What can you decipher from this?
Yes.
My lord, 1985 voter list was not provided by the authority to the petitioner, Lordship. It is there is a notification, Lordships. There is notification that 1985 voter list may not be provided to the applicant, Lordships. 1985, 1980.
That cannot be a reason. What about the others? From 1993 till your father had passed away in 2004, what have you done?
Well, some
93 to 2004.
93 also, he was not with
Not
his
there.
mother.
93. Where is your father in 93, page 40?
sometime maybe granted, I will try to bring it from them,
My
Lordship.
lord,
It's pending since 2019. Now the question of granting time will not come. Yes, anything? Yes, Mr.
Nirbachan
Chaudhary.
Patra,
Yes.
in this Nirbachan Patra, Lordship, there is a declaration done by the applicant, Lordship. মই নিষ্ঠা সহকাৰে ঘোষণা কৰোঁ যে ওপৰত উল্লেখ কৰা বিৱৰণসমূহ মোৰ জ্ঞান আৰু বিশ্বাস মতে সত্য আৰু উল্লেখিত নামসমূহৰ ভিতৰত কোনো ব্যক্তিৰে নাম আন কোনো সমষ্টিৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকাত অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত নাই। So it is their declaration, Lordship. What they have submitted, that is 1966 or 70 voter list, I think is somehow they procured this and placed before the tribunal, Lordship.
Oh.
Maybe, Lordship.
No, this was a declaration in 89.
89,
That
Lordship.
is not there in any other voter.
Oh.
They after shifting, Lordship, they applied, Lordships.
Okay, let us not be bogged down. Let us give benefit of doubt to the petitioner because of this. But other materials are wholly lacking.
Yes.
Yes, anything else, Mr. Sharma? Yes, Madam Bora, CGC. Reinforcement, yes. You cannot sit tight like this in matters of grave importance.
Yeah, in this case, Lordship.
Do you know what is the case about?
To some extent, Lordship, I have heard it.
Why to heard it? Hearsay. Hearsay.
Yes.
What is it? Tell us.
The role is very limited, Lordship. This, yeah, in this case, the CGC rules in the standing council is there.
But still then, you give big lectures that you are taking steps for deportation. I am not assisting the court. He's trying to assail the judgment opinion of the tribunal.
It is there.
Why should the opinion be sustained? You tell us. At least address us on the principles of law.
That, Lordship, the evidence which he has relied upon in the annexures, these evidence are not having any substantial basis. Because first of all, he has placed on record certain things which show that his predecessors were there prior to March 1970. This aspect of the matter, how he has dealt with, and what my learned offender said with regard to the name of his father, there is anomalies with regard to the name of his
You
father.
address us on what procedure should we adopt as a writ court?
Procedural lordship is a summary in nature, because in the case of the Muslim Mandal as well as in the case of Sharmananda Shomra lordship, it has been specified that this particular procedure is summary in nature, because fragmented production of documents today at the time of trial, if I produce certain documents, subsequently we are producing some other documents, is otherwise not permissible, because it's a question of national security is their lordship. So at this stage, if we keep on going and saying that these matters we are procuring certain documents, placing it before the court for the perusal, is otherwise not permissible as per the procedure of law, because whatever you have to address before the court, whatever document you have to place, that should be at the very threshold lordship. At the later stage, there is no procedure under the Foreigners Act to produce.
But he is making a submission that 85 voters list, where there was a direction not to furnish copies of 85 voters list.
Yes.
Whether we are accepting or not, that's a different matter.
Yes.
How do you respond to this?
No, 85 voter list, if there is some direction, he has to show certain things, that this, the name of the petitioner or the forefathers' names were there prior to 71. He has not been able to place on record all these things. And more to that, if there are some restriction with regard to furnishing the copy of the voter list with regard to 85, he's saying whether he has adduced any document, whether he has produced certain evidence to show that he had applied for that particular document and accordingly it was not furnished to him. So these missing lines are there. He has not been able to establish anything like that, which would show that he is there for a long period of time once his forefathers were there. And Your Honor has rightly said that he has purchased a certain document. This particular document said it is not a very substantial piece of evidence to establish.
Well, how do you respond to the aspect of use of an emblem?
Yes.
Will use of an emblem per se make the entire document inadmissible in law? Or it would be a mere irregularity? What about the contents? Will it all go? Not in this case, because Mr. Sharma has been arguing. Emblem has been used, misused rather. What about the contents?
No, the fact is.
Since the emblem, there are certain things written.
Yes.
If the author comes and say,
Exactly, Lord.
then what will happen to the contents?
No, if the author comes and say, here in this case. it
No,
is
not in this case.
Yes, yes.
In a case of, in a given case,
No, if the emblem
will
is
the
there,
use of
just-
the
yeah,
emblem
just
per
like
se,
25
will the use of the question is
Yes.
precisely, will the use of an emblem per se make the document entirely inadmissible in evidence?
No. Not like that. Because if I'm, as per the.
That
Evidence
is what
Act-
we are also
Yes.
thinking.
As per the Evidence Act, if I am producing a certain document, if it is a certified copy, then it gives a presumption in favor of the person who has produced it. If I am saying that this particular document is not correct, then it reverts back to the other side to establish the fact this document has not been properly prepared. So here in this case, in FT cases, it is for the proceeding to establish the fact.
No, you're on the use of the emblem, national emblem.
Yes, that I have understood, Lordship.
Yes.
National emblem, yes, he has placed certain thing with regard to the national emblem. But whether it is certainly establishing the fact with regard to the citizenship of the person. So the contents of the particular document is to be gone through, Lordship, and how it has been proved. Because the person who has issued the particular document, whether he has been produced before the concerned court to establish the contents of the document. Because Lordship knows that these particular papers can be procured, or these papers can be placed before the court for a certain reason. How it has been obtained, the person who has issued the particular document, whether he is having or he was having the authority to issue that particular document. All these factors, the related factors are there, Lordship.
And how will you respond to the plea which is often taken that enumerators, they make minor mistakes either in the age or in the spellings?
Exactly, Lordship. These
So
things are there.
how
If
do you
these things are there,
practically look into this
Exactly,
problem?
Lordship. If these things are there, now the essential part on the part of the petitioner or the person who is facing the FT cases, now he has to come before the court with certain evidence which would show that even if the enumerator has committed certain mistakes, but fact remains that I am a citizen of India based on certain these and that documents. Suppose they said it prior to a certain period of time, prior to this voter ID card. So many documents are there to negate the effect of the wrong committed by the enumerator. But if you are not discharging, because at end of the day, you have to discharge your liability. If you are not discharging your liability, then you have to suffer the consequences for that. Because legal framework is very strict. You cannot go beyond the legal framework. You have to, whatever you have to do in the legal framework.
But how do you strike a balance that a bona fide citizen should not suffer anything because of any wrong done by the
Exactly.
enumerator.
That is what I'm submitting, Lordship. Suppose he is a bona fide citizen, but how he has established the fact? Because duty lies upon him to establish the fact that I have not committed, just like the criminal matter, I have to show that I have not committed any crime.
Now,
So
he produces, what can he produce? See
he can
here,
produce the voter- Yes,
the evidence as has been laid down has to be in the form of documents.
yes,
Oral evidence may not have a very strict rule.
true.
So document he has, but document is a faulty document,
Mm.
which perhaps is not because of his fault.
Mm.
His name has been written instead of a particular spelling, there is some change in spelling. The ages are not matching. Enumerators have done something wrong. Now, how do you, in those cases, how do you address?
Here in this case, because this is a very common aspect of the matter. Lord.
Yes, yes.
Enumerators are doing very frequently.
Yes.
Even the nicknames are also being put in the voter
Correct,
list that I have
correct.
seen, Lord.
Mm.
But fact is that so long as you are not in a position to disprove this particular fact, then the liability lies upon you. Merely saying that enumerator has committed the mistake is not going to a escape route, because you cannot take an escape route on the basis of that the enumerator has committed the mistake. Some evidence.
That means you need to plead this in your written statement, that this is the written
Exactly.
voter's list, my name has been written, should have been written this.
Exactly.
And in the affidavit also, or in the
You have to justify.
evidence.
You have to justify your point, because merely putting.
And in
forward
an
the-
acceptable way.
Exactly, Lord. Some sort of pleading or some sort of evidence should be there to nullify the wrong committed by the enumerator.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Lord, I was not there. I was not. I thought my role is very limited. I'm not supposed to make.
Your role is unlimited, not limited, unlimited rules. Yes, please write. M. Hawk, G. Sharma, then S.P. Chaudhary, CGC, and N. Kolita, Election Commission of India, and P. Sharma, State Council. Hearing is concluded, judgment is reserved. Same format, huh? Item number?
My lord,
29.
the matter may be possible for time being.
Time being,
This is the last matter.
last matter time being.
My lord, my senior is lagging court number 14.
So what do you do till then? You have to entertain us. It is also not certain when he can come.
Now, court number 14.
Is it
Item
certain
fo-
that he'll
item-
come after 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Item number 43. Court number 14.
So what do you do till then, till your senior comes?
Possible for the day?
For the day? Yes. Matter which, 19 matter?
Yes, Lord.
Who is your senior?
Kaise Ahmed.
Yes, Ahmed. What is your case? Mr. Sharma?
Yes, Lord. Impugned opinion, case 70.
Unnecessary 19 matter কি আবার ভুল করেছে তো।
Go to page number 17, the 1966 voters list.
Oh, madam was there. During that day.
No, my senior is lagging court number.
She's from Juai.
Yeah.
Do you know?
He's hiding today.
She's from Juai. Yes, madam, you are from Juai? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Same matter, I believe. Had to One.
So precise it.
About personally?
Yes, what is it?
Case number 17, 1966 voter list. Parents name.
What is your name first?
Hatu Bhanu.
Hatu Bhanu. Apka Bhan. Man, that is like-
Hmm. Jonabali is your grandfather or father? Don't know. Even Azaman who.
Chunabali father.
Father.
What is your name? Counsel?
F.A. Ahmed.
F.A. Ahmed.
On behalf of S.A. Ahmed.
Yes, documents, first document.
Exhibit on 1966 voter list.
Page,
Page 17.
come to the vernacular 18.
Muhammad Junab Ali, father.
Father,
Father.
this is 1966.
1966 voter list.
Muhammad Junab Ali. Father,
Father.
and who is this Iron Nessa?
Mother.
Gagolmari. Village?
Village Gogolmari. Gagolmari.
Okay. 66 then.
70. Yes. Voter list 70. Page number 19. Exhibit 2.
72 years.
Oh.
66 he would have been in a position to vote, I think.
Oh.
72 was the date of year of birth. Mr. Chaudhary?
Hmm.
See the her declared age in the affidavit filed in this
Yes.
is 72 years in 2019.
Yes.
Year of birth will be how much? Around
72 years in 2019.
72 years in 2019.
72 years.
1937. 1937.
37.
1937.
No, no.
No. Oh, okay. Not 37. 47. 47.
47.
One,
70.
1947. 1967.
70 की बनाते थे 47 जो दिया
Okay.
47 में देखा रेंज
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
70 I'm sorry man
No problem. If he wants to continue, he can continue. Your colleague can continue if you want.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the petitioner
exhibited 9 numbers of documents, my lord.
We have just seen 1966.
Yes.
And come to 1970. Page 20.
And my lord, 1970 at page 19, my lord.
Come to the vernacular.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the Muhammad Jonab Ali, he is the father.
Oh.
And Iron Nessa, she is the mother, my lord. Parents of the petitioner. This is, my lord, exhibited documents, my lord, exhibit 2.
Just a minute, please.
Age remains the same.
Age
From 66.
43. Yes. In comparison to, my lord, 1966. Yes, same. At least in this regard, many judgments in our High Court and Supreme Court also, my lord.
Yes.
Then, my lord, the page 22, GP certificate. This is, my lord, exhibited documents, my lord, pertaining to, my lord, linkage. But the authenticity, my lord, of these documents is not proved, my lord, by adducing evidence. But it is, my lord, countersigned by the development block officer.
Nobody came to prove this.
No, my lord. But it is exhibited documents, my lord.
Where is your voters list?
My voter list, my lord, at
See,
page.
if we have just verified your age.
Yeah, my lord.
You appear to have been born in 1947.
47.
So in 1970, you were in the voting age.
Yes.
Where is your voter list along with your parents? Either in 70 or any
But,
voters list thereafter.
Yes, my lord.
Do you have any voters
Those
list?
voter list, my lord, not exhibited. And what is the, my lord, the issue that is not disclosed, my lord?
See, the
He, my lord, exhibited.
first question which we will ask or anybody will ask,
Yes.
when did you vote first?
Yes.
Or at least when did your name appear in the voters list? Whether you had
First
voted or
voter,
not, that's a
yes.
different matter. But your name would be enlisted. And this 70 is a very crucial year, as you know.
Yes, 80 years now. 80,
Now she was 72 while
2019.
presenting this petition in 2019.
19,
So she must have been born in 1947.
47.
47, then 70 she would have what? 57, 67,
No voter
23
list.
years.
No voter list was.
After 70, nothing. Do you have,
Yes, my lord.
where is your voter list?
My lord, at page 23.
25.
This is, my lord, abstract copy, but it is annexed in the.
Oh, this is also not, this is not a certified
No, my
copy.
lord, exhibited documents, but
No,
in
no,
my
no.
petition, it is abstract copy, but in the record, my lord, that is, my lord, of certified copy.
Annexure D.
D.
Is it certified? Please, Mr. Sharma.
In
We have
the
doubts.
record, it is, my lord, exhibited.
We have doubts.
A 97 voter.
When did you get married to Azaharuddin?
My lord, by date here is not mentioned, but in the WS, only mentioned that she got married with one Ahazuddin.
Ahazuddin.
Yes.
When?
Not the year and date is not mentioned, my lord.
It is there in the government.
Yes. Case 31, my lord. This is Gaubura certificate.
Fourteen day of February 2017.
14 February
17. Arrow. Arrow. He has mentioned about this. November certificate is about subsequently. Sorry, previous 15. Into he was to the.
My lord, in page 22, my lord,
Page
22,
22.
the certificate issued by the Gau Panchayat.
We have seen this. Author is not examined.
My lord. Here mentioned, my lord, date of marriage was 23/8/1971.
See, what we are trying to discussing this certificate is of the year 2015. You had presented your written statement in 2017. But even then, in the written statement, you have not stated the date.
Yes, yes. Only in the written statement, my lord, disclosed that he got married with one so and so.
This is, if you read this page 52, it is mainly on the aspect of marriage after which he had migrated. It doesn't our police. Purpose is for the marriage.
My
22.
যেটা শিফট করবে তোমার ম্যাট্রিমোনিয়াল
The virtue of the marriage is the preliminary.
yes, exhibited in the order of the tribunal.
এটুকুলো
It is mentioned.
1971 ট্রাইব্যুনালের ফটো স্লিপ
Exhibit
আছে
four.
ফটো নাইন হোম
This is WS.
Yes, 75. And
Voters
last,
list.
yes, ma'am.
No name in the voters list.
My lord, the 1997 voter list that has been exhibited, my lord, but perhaps
But that is not linking with your parents.
parents, my lord, he examined, my lord, 3 DWs, including herself as DW1, DW2 his cousin brother, and DW3 his own brother.
DW1 is petitioner.
One is
DW2
petitioner,
is cousin.
2 is cousin, and 3 is, my lord, own younger brother.
Brother.
Yes, my lord.
What is the
What?
name of your brother?
My lord, the cross part, my lord.
What is the
that
name of your brother?
brother is, my lord, Sohab Ali. Sohab Ali.
What has he said?
My lord, the cross part, my lord, that is not available with me, my lord. That is also in the record, my lord. At the
But what
time
has he
of
said?
filing of this writ petition, my lord, they
What
have
has he said?
not
What-
supply the
Let us see the evidence, whatever is
yes,
there.
written evidence, my lord. Written evidence of DW3, my lord, at page 66.
Age?
Page, my lord, 66.
66.
Yes, my lord. This is DW3, her own younger brother. My lord. Para 5, my lord. That about 45 years ago from today, second party's marriage was solemnized with Ahazuddin, son of late Ames, resident of number 2 Magurmari of Dorong district, and after marriage they started to live together as husband and wife. Second party gave birth to 7
But this
sons.
is by whom? This is by
This is by younger brother of the petitioner.
younger brother.
Yes, my lord.
Let us
He-
see his description in the vernacular.
Vernacular, my lord, para 5. This is, my lord,
Vernacular page 64.
64, 60.
Moi.
60.
Oh, this is, what is the?
64. My lord, this is the cousin brother.
Oh, cousin.
Yes, my lord. Abdul Mutlib. Yes.
Where is his original?
His original.
69.
Yes. My lord, petitioners.
What is his name? Sobhan. Sobhan.
Evidence
69.
at page 54.
No, you're reading the evidence of whom?
My lord, this is, my lord, the younger brother of the petitioner.
Read the
Page-
read the vernacular at page
Page
69.
69. মই সোবান আলী পিতা জোনাব আলী বয়স 64 বছর হাং নন্দিনী বাড়ি থানা মায়ং পোস্ট অফিস গাগলমারি থানা মায়ং জিলা মৰিগাঁও অসম প্ৰতিজ্ঞাপূৰ্বক কওঁ যে মই উক্ত ঠিকানাৰ স্থায়ী বাসিন্দা ও জন্মসূত্ৰে ভাৰতীয় নাগৰিক। মই উক্ত গোচৰৰ দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ হাতুবানুক চিনি পাওঁ। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ নিজ ভনীয়েক হয় আৰু তাইৰ স্বামী আহাজুদ্দিন মোৰ ভিনীয়ে হয়। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ আৰু মোৰ পিতাৰ নাম জোনাব আলী আৰু মাকৰ নাম আইৰণ নেছা আৰু আমাৰ ককা দেউতাৰ নাম কাইলা। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষ হাতুবানু আৰু মোৰ জন্ম মৰিগাঁও জিলাৰ বৰ্তমান গাগলমাৰী গাঁৱত হৈছিল আৰু আমি উক্ত গাগলমাৰী গাঁৱতে জন্ম হৈ তাতে একেলগে ডাঙৰ দীঘল হৈছো। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ আজি অনুমান ৪৫ বছৰমান আগতে দৰং জিলাৰ ২ নং মাগুৰমাৰী গাঁৱৰ বাসিন্দা আহাজুদ্দিন পিতা আমেজৰ লগত বিয়া হয় আৰু বিয়াৰ পাছত দুয়ো স্বামী স্ত্ৰী হিচাপে ঘৰ সংসাৰ কৰাৰ ফলত সন্ততিৰ জন্ম হয়। দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ ৭জন ল'ৰা আৰু ৩জনী ছোৱালীৰ মাক হয়। বৰ্তমান তৃতীয় পক্ষ দৰং জিলাৰ ২ নং মাগুৰমাৰী গাঁৱতে বসবাস কৰি আছে। নাম্বাৰ 6, তৃতীয় পক্ষৰ বিয়াৰ সময়ত মই বিয়াত উপস্থিত আছিলোঁ আৰু বিয়াৰ পাছত দ্বিতীয় পক্ষৰ স্বামীৰ ঘৰলৈ
Mr. Ahmed, you are
my-
reading this, but you know the settled position. Oral evidence by a relative would not be sufficient in an FT matter. There has to be documentary support. So far as DW2 and DW3 are concerned, there are no documentary support.
2 is not, my lord, he is the own brother, my
No,
lord.
own brother, even the mother's evidence have been stated to be required to be supported by documents.
Yes, my
Not in
lord.
all cases, but in FT cases, because this concerns the security of the nation.
Yes, my lord.
That is the case, that is the settled position. In any other case, partition case, civil case, oral statement is good enough that he is my son or he is my father. But here, because the national interest is concerned and this matter is not a dispute between two families, it is a dispute which concerns the security of the nation. So there is a requirement of a document to support any oral evidence.
Yes, my lord.
So you have
My
discharged
lord,
that.
My lord, that so far the documents are concerned, my lord.
Documents are
Yes.
lacking absolutely, and
Yes.
we are bound by documents. And as you know, we are in certiorari jurisdiction. If the view taken is an absolutely untenable view, then we interfere. Otherwise, if the view is taken based on the relevant consideration, even if the view it may not be the only view possible, then also we may not substitute our views. Only thing is that we need to ascertain whether the procedure
Yes.
has been followed, whether relevant factors have been taken into consideration, and whether the decision is not based on any extraneous consideration or irrelevant consideration. That we do not, it doesn't appear from the judgment.
That is, my lord, that is correct, my lord. My lord, now the petitioner is attaining her age at 81 years. She is completely, I heard a lot from his family members, she is completely bedridden.
Yes, Mr. Who will respond, Mr. Sharma or Mr. Chaudhary?
There are no other documents except these.
My lord,
Gaubura's documents are there,
yes,
but
my
they
lord,
are not
Gaura's
examined.
documents are there, my lord. The authenticity has not proved, my lord, is not proved.
We have
And
annexed
so far
certain
the voter
NRC
list is
documents.
concerned, my lord, the petitioner exhibited for the first time.
Oh, yes, identify.
Except, my lord, GP certificate and Gaura certificate. And, my
No,
lord,
no
voter list
link
of-
document, no link document.
Yes.
Hello,
And
ECD.
other parents have, my lord, 66, 70. And pertaining to linkage, my lord, only GB certificate and, my lord, Panchayat certificate.
Somewhere you have stated that your name was there in 1971 voters list, but it's not produced.
No, my lord.
See your written statement, it's
Yes.
written there.
Yes, in the written statement and also in the, that is also explained in the judgment also, my lord. The 71, he has 71 voter list, but they did not produce the same before the time.
March 70.
March 70.
Oh, no, go to you.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Yes, Lordship, in page 74, Lordship, last para, the OP, it is submitted in her evidence on affidavit dated 29/2017, that at the time of examination, she intended to exhibit the following documents, whereas verified through all the documents were not available in the evidence. So, Lordship, a tribunal's opinion has reflected that although he marked some documents as exhibited during the time of evidence, Lordship, those are not there in the record, Lordship. I have seen the 1971.
No, we have not got you, Mr. Sharma. Page 74. Which
Ye-
paragraph? Last paragraph.
Yes, Lordship.
The OP, it is submitted in her evidence on affidavit. This was that at the time of examination, she intend to exhibit, okay. In her cross.
1997 voter list, I have
verified.
submitted, Lordship, one Xerox copy of the voter list.
These are
I
not
have found.
available.
My lord, in next page, 1975. 75, my lord, second para, my lord. In support of her case, the OP has exhibited the following documents. By list of documents on 4/10/2018 as follows. Certified copy of voter list 1966 Exhibit 1, certified copy of voter list 1970 Exhibit 2, certified copy
You are
of
reading the written statement or affidavit.
Order.
order, my lord.
Which order?
Order of the tribunal, page 75.
75.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Hmm.
Second para, my lord.
OP has exhibited.
Serial number 1, this is the certified copy of voter list 1966 Exhibit 1. 1970 Exhibit 2, my lord, Gaon Panchayat certificate Exhibit 3, 1997 voter list Exhibit 4.
This is not
These
certified.
are exhibited documents.
Not-
No, in the support of here,
See the
it is
record.
written
There is
clearly.
nothing in the record.
Exhibit 4 is not a certified copy.
ভালে করছে
So, Lordship,
সোমবার হলে আমার
only aspect is that to establish her link, Lordship, Gaon Panchayat certificate is there, Lordship. It was not proof, Lordship. Apart from that, Lordship, certificate itself is not admissible, Lordship.
করতে গেছে 14 দিয়ে
Hmm.
দিছিল 20
Hmm.
ultimately নখনে document
Yeah, submit.
My lord, the Exhibit 9, my lord. That is the legacy data of the petitioner of 1971.
NRC document is not admissible in evidence.
You have placed that case law also,
Yes, Lordship.
that NRC is not a proof of.
Yes, Lordship.
Legacy data is at which page, Mr. Ahmed?
My lord, at page 30, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, regarding NRC data, Lordship, WBC 6090 of 2016, it is reported in 2019 to GLT 45.
2019.
To GLT 45, Lordship. Connected WBC number is 6090.
No, not required. It is reported. Then name.
Abdul Mojid, ABDUL MAJID versus Union of India.
ZID or ZID.
JID.
Oh. Paragraph.
Paragraph, Lordship.
NRC data are not
Yes.
conclusive evidence.
Yes. Exhibit 1 is stated to be para 11, Lordship. Exhibit 1 is stated to be the true copy of NRC 1951 issued by the Deputy Superintendent of Police Border to be on 17/10/1985, containing the name of Boru Diwani, Belaton Nessa, Madan Sheikh, Mutin and Hanif Sheikh. NRC 1951 was prepared on the basis of Census Act 1948 as per Section 15 of the Census Act 1948. Record of census are not open to inspection and thus not admissible in evidence. Therefore, in Bhanwasa Sheikh versus Union of India 1970 Assam LR 206, a single bench of this court categorically held that NRC extracts produced to prove the domicile in India is not admissible in evidence for any purpose. We are in the complete agreement with the view expressed by the learned single judge in Bhanwasa Sheikh. Therefore, Exhibit 1 is no evidence in the eye of law.
Okay. Rest we have noted that
And
no link document.
yes, Lordship, a GP certificate is covered by Lordship. Earlier, I have cited
What is that?
Katun case is covered by that.
What is
Lordship,
that?
Para 15. Yes, Lordship. Same thing, Lordship, in the GP certificate. At the top of the certificate, state emblem was embossed, as well as government of Assam was also embossed at the top of the certificate.
Kudeza is what?
Kudeza Katun.
Khatun is what?
2018 3 GLT 347. Para 15 and 15.1.
Here in the author was also not examined.
Yes, everything has been discussed, Lordship. And Gaubra certificate also discussed para 13 and 14, Lordship.
Okay.
But here, Lordship, in Gaubra certificate, there is no state emblem.
Here there is no Gaubara certificate. There is
Yeah,
only there are
So many. I don't know.
State emblem is not there. No.
Lordship, Lordship has already says about oral statement, Lordship. If that goes, Lordship, link document goes, oral statement remains.
oral statement is
not enough.
Noor.
No.
What is the
Vijay Das, Asia Khatun, so many decisions are developed.
Give one citation.
Bijoy?
Vijay Das 2018. Lordship. (2018) 3 GLT 118, Lordship.
That is Bijoy Das.
Yes, Lordship.
Paragraph?
Paragraph, Lordship. Paragraph 17. Paragraph 17. Paragraph 17. And Lordship Noor Begum 2000,
2000,
2020,
2020.
yes, 2020, 3 GLT 347, para 6.
Khudeja is also page 347, right? And
Yes,
Noor
sir.
Begum is also 347.
Yes, yes.
Anything else?
Lordship, not a single voter list has been placed by, although petitioner was capable to vote in the year of 1968, but there is nothing to show that he is a voter from 1968, Lordship. That's all, Lordship. Only to establish her link, the only GP certificate, Lordship, that will cover everything, Lordship.
Okay. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Mr. Nath, what will you say? We thought you were also in this case. You are keenly observing the proceedings.
Yes, but this is the best school. Courtroom is the best school.
But it depends who is the teacher.
Lordship.
Whether the lawyer is the teacher or the judge. At times the lawyer is the teacher. No, we beg to differ. We learn from the lawyers.
5%.
Okay. I heard Sri S.A. Amita and G. Sharma and S.P. Chaudhary CBC and Polita ECI and P. Sharma State Council. Reserve for it. Next week, hopefully, my nine into ventures. Hopefully.
Hopefully, more 100%.
I'll go to
Oblige, my lord.
No, no one is doing.
Oh, that lady, where is she disappeared? We asked her to prepare. What else?
So what is it? It given item number as it is.
It is in the wheelchairs or this that.
Oh.
So I'm looking to prepare for it. No, I'm not fully prepared.
I go. Say go lot.
I remember Goa knowledge. When this matter was called up in the first half, comma, an accommodation was sought for, and accordingly, the matter was deferred for some time. Full stop. The matter is called up again as the last item when there is no representation from the petitioner. Para. The respondents are, however, represented. Para. Considering that this petition is pending since the year 2019, and in the interest of justice, we grant a final opportunity to the petitioner to present her case. Full stop. Accordingly, list on 5th of May.
Yeah. Side as AV.
মই চিন্তা করি এইকেইটা গোটেই